When it comes to making money in the Web3 space, you definitely need to know everything about Web3, including Web3 wallets and how to use Decentralized app. In my last video, I did show you guys how to set up your Web3 wallet and at the same time, how to fund your Web3 wallet properly. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you guys through how to interact with Web3 apps and how to use almost every Web3 apps that are very, very important. For those of you who also want to learn the airdrop part of Web3, you definitely need to know how to interact with Web3 because they are definitely different from Web2. So Web3 website and Web3 mobile apps are quite different from your normal website, Web2 website. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you guys through how you can interact with Web3 apps and Web3 website. At the same time, I'm also going to show you different Web3 decentralized exchanges for different blockchain. So if this sounds interesting to you, do well to like this video, click the subscribe button, and also do not forget to turn on your notification bell. And I also want to advise you that you watch this video to the end and do not skip any part of the video, because if you do, then you might miss some important and vital parts which can cost you a lot in the future. Without wasting much of your time, let's get straight to the tutorial.
There are things I want you guys to understand, okay? So please ensure you do not skip this video because it's very, very necessary you understand this part. Okay. Now, first, when it comes to Web3 is a different world entirely. And just as we have Web2, everything you see we have on the Web2, all right, people are already making it available on the Web3 space, which I told you the last time that Web3 possess many opportunity. I told you, remember, we have Facebook today, which is social media on Web2. Tomorrow, you will see that there are some people that are already, like you and I, that are already low-key. They're already working on building another next generation social media platform, which will be running on Web2, on Web3. Now, in the Web3 space, unlike Web2, you will see that on your Facebook, if you want to log in, what do you use? You use email to log in. Whenever you go to Twitter and want to log in, you go to TikTok, what they first ask you? They ask for your email. The users they ask you to log in with your email, or they ask you to log in with your what, password, your username. That is what Web2 is all about. Now, what now happens? So that is why you see many of us, we always, imagine that you want to register on, you want to log into, you have about, just imagine you have about 100 websites that you've registered before. Are you telling me that many of you will remember the password and the email you use on those 10 websites, on the 100 websites? Some of us is reality. When you get to a website, now there are some websites that you might want to log in and you've already forgotten your username and password. Even some people have already forget. If I should ask some people now that come and log in your Facebook on my laptop, some people would have forgotten their email and even their password. It's not their fault because they everybody has what is going on in their mind, and everybody has registered on so many websites that many people have forgotten their email. Some people have forgotten their password because it's impossible for you to remember all the passwords you use or email using maybe 10 or 20 websites at a time, right? That is the issue with Web2. And that is another area again that Web3 is solving. Now, I want you to know that in the Web3 space, I told you guys I want to show you how you can interact with Web3 apps. Now, in the Web3 space, we call it dApps, which means decentralized application. The word decentralized means there's no middleman. It is you and the application, no middleman. But you see that Facebook, those TikTok, those Binance, Bybit you are interacting with, it is not that. It is not a decentralized application. It is what? A centralized application. When we say centralized means there's somebody in the middle controlling it. So who is controlling it? The people that owns the website are controlling it, because for everything you do, the reason why you could log in to your Facebook, it is because there's already a database. Immediately you register, when you see that name you are putting, it's just like when bank give you form. Okay, let me tell you something. When you go to the bank and you want to create an account, what the bank does in Nigeria, and I'm sure some of your country, they will give you a form to fill, right? Now you see those forms you fill, that is manual. You will not submit the paper to the cashier. They will not tell you that you should go, that you will receive message and everything later. Do you know why you cannot receive that message instantly? Because at that point in time when you fill those forms, that form you fill need to be inputted in the bank database. So the cashier will now go and give it to the IT department. The IT department, okay, in fact, you will see that some of them might sit down in their system, they will be asking for details, your details, they will be pressing it to understand. What are they doing? They are filling a specific form. The form you fill, in their own system, there's a place they will say name, they will say age, they will say, there will be a place they will say upload picture. Now, that's why they will tell you to attach your passport, they will tell you for a BVN, NIN, all those things they ask you for, those forms you fill, they are available on the laptops or the computers of banks. So You will now see that they will not input it on their own database. The thing will now store on their own database. Now, and that is why they will now send your account number. It is because you will now see that whenever you want to log into your mobile banking app, you will need to put that your email and password, right? Now, if it log you in, you know what it does? Immediately you click login, it will connect to the bank server and check and see that is there, is there any name and email that is and password that is this on our database? If it is yes, it will now log you in and show all your own details. But if it is wrong, let's say your email is correct or your password is wrong, it will not go. Why? Because it will compare to the one in the bank database and say, no, this email is correct, but this password is wrong. So since the both are not correct, it will not log you in. That is Web 2. Because the reason why you could log into your Facebook, you see, is because when all your details are in their own database. And who owns that database? Mark Zuckerberg is the owner of Facebook. Now, that is what is making them money, your details. Now, you will see that sometimes when they ban you and you cannot log into Facebook again, do you know what happens? What happens is that if they ban you permanently, they delete your record away from their system, from their own database, right? That is why you cannot log in anymore. Because they no longer have your details. All right? So that is how it works. It's just like you have a lot of carton of wine in your house. That place in your store, that store you store those cartons of wine is your database for the wine. Now you can ask your children to be bringing you wine. Maybe day one bring me wine, I want to drink, you drink. Day two bring me wine. The reason why they keep on bringing you wine is what? Because whenever they go there, they see wine. A day is coming. If the wine is no longer, it has finished. By the time they go there, bring wine. They just daddy, there's no more wine. Why? That means the record wine cannot be found in your store anymore. That is the same thing with Web 2. So anytime you log into something, your database is there. Now, imagine now have 100 websites that you've registered, you've logged in. How will you understand? How will you remember? It will be very, very difficult, right? That is where Web 3 comes in. So anytime we say decentralized application, DEX, DApp, DAAP, whenever we say DApp, we mean decentralized application. All right? And why? Decentralized applications are applications that are running on blockchain. All right? They use this blockchain as their database. All right? They use blockchain as a database. Unlike all your Web 2, Facebook, they are not using blockchain as a database. They have their own separate database. Some are using MySQL, some are using Post SQL, different type of SQL, right? Some are using Firebase, you grab. But any decentralized app, Web3 apps are using blockchain. Blockchain is more powering them. Is the database powering them. Unlike a normal Web 2, they are being powered by different database. We have MySQL for PHP. We have the one for Python. We have many, the one for Next.js and co. You grab me. Now, that is the issue. Now, let me now give you an example of what I mean. Okay, now, we now have what we also call, in this Web3, we have what we call, in Web 2 now, we have centralized exchanges such as Bybit, Binance, MEXC, Gate.io, KuCoin, Bitget. You see all these exchanges are called centralized. You will see it's called CEX, CEX, centralized exchange. Do you know why it's called centralized exchange? Because you are not the owner. You will only see their founders on Twitter. The founders can do, and if you are the one to that, you have a platform today. You can kick somebody out. For example, just like I and sometimes own this Web3 group, because he's the owner of the Telegram group. He can tell me that simply kick this person out. And if I feel that I can kick you out. Why? Because it is his own, and we are both working together, right? But imagine now, you will not see that the Telegram as well is centralized, because Telegram soon now owns the entire Telegram. The entire Telegram can decide to ban anybody's or delete anybody's Telegram channel or groups, right? So the same thing with this centralized exchange. It is centralized because somebody is controlling it. But when you talk about decentralized exchange is called DEX. It means exchange it is not controlled by anybody. They just design it to connect to, because normally if you want to buy from the blockchain, you cannot interact directly with blockchain without a user interface, because blockchain has to do with set of codes and codes. So some companies decide to program something, a user interface that has already, interact with the blockchain and give you a nice interface for you to easily communicate with the blockchain and buy something. And now they don't have anything they do there. Every transaction you do there, they are not aware of it. They are not in charge of it. They are not in control of it. With centralized exchange now, there's nothing like you want to withdraw your funds and you start waiting for email confirmation and no. The centralized exchange is direct. Everything you are doing, you are the 100% in control. Nobody is controlling you. Nobody can say you should not use there's nobody that can ban anyone from using a decentralized exchange. But Binance can decide to disable your account. Bybit can decide to disable your account. You can decide to want to withdraw your money, and Bybit will not release it onto you and give you something that that your ID is not correct, blah 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 shit. But when it comes to decentralized exchange, which is DEX, nothing of such, because you are your own bank. It's just like your piggy bank. You put money there, you can pull out money anytime, you can put in money anytime. Nobody's restricting you. Now, I want to now give you an example of what we made a Web 2 and Web 3 platform. And I want to use the betting platform as an example for you. Now, look, in my front here, you could see that this is Bet Niger, right? This Bet Niger now, you will see that if you want to bet on this Bet Niger, actually, I don't play betting, but I just want to use an example. What will you do first? They will tell you to register, right? You see, they will just first click register, all right? They will now you see a form. You see this form: name, surname, phone number, email address, password, confirm password. You see promo code, everything. If you input everything here, you see all these things you see here. Bet Niger has a database at the back end that you cannot see. Their developers only is the one that can see it. It's like a door that is capturing your information. If I put this name here and I click on verify and create account, you see everything you feel here, bam, in their database automatically fills it in. There's a box in their database that contains name, and if you contain number, if Bet Niger have 1 million or has 1,000 registered member, immediately I fill this form now and I submit. My ID will be in ID 1001 because I'm the 1001 person to fill. So you see all these names, I fill everything here. It will enter into the database straight. So if I'm betting now in the future, if for some reason they don't like me, they can delete that record from their own database and I won't be able to log in anymore. So everything you input here, I think you see that this thing you are filling here is just like a normal. The manual one is if somebody give you a paper to be writing it, but this one now is an online version, but it is a form. Immediately you put all this form, you fill all these things. Those records you feel will be saved. This thing you feel will be saved in their record there. So they will have it in their database. So anytime you want to log in, it will check whether all these things is true. All right, now you can see that this is Web 2 now. For me to use this Web, I will have to fill all this thing. Imagine, can you see the stress? I will have to fill all this, fill all this. Then I will have to imagine. Let's say I want to now log in. I will click on this login. You will see that we have this. They will tell me to log in either username or password. Can you see this the stress before I log in? What if I now forget? What if it's imagine now that I register on this button maybe 10 years ago and I want to use it today? You see now that it is I might not remember, right? Now let me now come to this one now. Look at this betting company now. Look at this one. Look at this particular one. This is another betting company too, but this one is a Web3 betting company. This one is a Web3 betting company. Now, let me show you the difference between this one. Now, you see this one too, that is a betting company now, all right? You see this one that is a betting company now. They provide two options. You can, if I click on this register, they will give me a form too. You see, they say register, username, email, password. Now, they give me two options, all right? They combine Web 2 and Web 3. There are some betting platforms now in Web 3. They can decide to combine two, Web 2 and Web 3. It is not left for you. Which one do you want to use? Do you want to use the Web 2? If I want to use the Web 2 version of it, that means I will have to fill in my username, email, and password. But now, can you see it? I will have to register. If I register finish, they will tell me to, they will send a message to my email and ask me to verify my what? My email address to be sure that it's correct. You see? But there's no other option for me to register on this platform without registering here. That is using Web 3. And how do you know? You will see a logo of MetaMask or sometimes a logo of Trust Wallet. Now, if you look at down here, you see, they say, what do you see here? They say, or continue with, you see, stream, Twitch, you see MetaMask. So anytime you see a MetaMask logo or Trust Wallet logo, you know that that platform is using with Web3. So you can see it here, I say, or join with, you see it. Now, if I click on the MetaMask now, all right, I won't need to be doing all those, you see it now. If I click on this MetaMask, and they can just ask me for my username. Let's say I say JC. You see, they will not tell me to submit. You will see that it will now load up my Trust Wallet MetaMask automatically. You see, it's trying to load up my MetaMask because whenever you're on your PC, whenever you click a connect on any MetaMask application, MetaMask will open up automatically. All right, it will open up automatically. Okay, it's trying to open my Phantom wallet here. You see my Phantom wallet. You see the kind of wallet it's trying to open up. Well, let me cancel it. The reason why I could not load it up is because I've not been able to what to log in now. You see, they put MetaMask logo, but because they have different blockchains here, it can decide to open up my MetaMask or my Phantom wallet. So now, if you want to use Web3 on your PC now, you first have to log into your MetaMask or your Phantom wallet on your PC. You can see that on my PC now. You see all this right here. I have to first log in. Okay. Let me log into my MetaMask here. Okay, I've logged into my MetaMask. Let me log into my Phantom as well. Just put in your password I use because we've already imported our this thing back then. We've already imported our we've already imported our wallet address. So now I've logged in. I can cancel. Okay, let me come to this notification. Let me see what is saying as notification. They sent out. Okay. So now, okay, so now for you to use Web3, sometimes let's say you want to connect to this website. Let's say I want to join this website now. All right. Sometimes you have to first ask which network do they support because there are some MetaMask, there are some websites that allows you to connect to their their platform, but it could be that the blockchain they deploy the website on might be Solana. If it is Solana, that means it's your Solana blockchain you are going to use, which is your Phantom, right? They might have MetaMask logo there, some might have Phantom logo there, but then you have to know the blockchain the website is hosted. It's simple actually, but if you do not know, no problem. Sometimes just click on it and it will automatically help you to dictate. That's why always ensure that you have both MetaMask and you have Phantom installed, their Chrome extension installed, like I did there. So now, If it is MetaMask, let's say this thing now is deployed on another exchange and it is MetaMask is deployed on one of the blockchains of MetaMask. What you have to do is, let's say you know the blockchain they are using. For you to use it, what you have to do is you come to this your MetaMask icon here on your on your laptop, because whenever you are using a laptop to access the Web3 platform, you only need two extensions. You need MetaMask and you need Phantom, right? But if you want to visit the same website on our mobile phone, we can do it from Trust Wallet. We don't need to use MetaMask, because Trust Wallet is like the MetaMask of PC. Whenever it comes to mobile, the number one thing you should consider first is Trust Wallet. Except if Trust Wallet no work before, you can go and consider MetaMask on mobile first. All right. Trust Wallet is number one for generic blockchain. Why on Solana is Phantom, as we still remain Phantom, right? So, like I said, if you're on PC now and you want to connect to any website, you need to install MetaMask extension and Phantom, and you need to have import your this thing. Okay. So now let's say I know that this website is using maybe Binance Matching. Now, what I will do is I will click on this my MetaMask something here, and you will see that you open here on me. You see this ball here. All right, you see this ball here. You can see it to show the website I'm connecting. You say rollbit.com, not connected. That means I'm not connected to rollbit.com. Okay. So now while I'm here, sometimes, okay, so while I'm here, sometimes, okay, you can click on this menu and you can say it should help you to show on full screen. If you wish, you can try to open up your MetaMask on full screen, which you can see from here. You can try to open up your MetaMask on full screen. Now, sometimes you see where they say all popular network here. Okay, you can click on. Let's say I know that it is Binance Matching that this website I'm about to use is on. I can try to choose BNB chain here, only BNB chain, so that I want BNB chain only to be showing. Okay, then I can come back to the website. But sometimes if you don't know what blockchain is, because this one I don't know what blockchain is this. I'm just trying to show you. I will click on this MetaMask icon, join. You could see it. It should load up my MetaMask or Phantom wallet. All right. So I can click on it. All right. So I can click on this Phantom here now and see if it show me a pop-up. Sometimes if it does not show a pop-up, probably it is their network. Okay. Because some decentralized websites, they might not build it very well. So you might have issues with it. Okay. So like this now, I click on this MetaMask now. It's trying to load up this thing. Okay. Finally, it has loaded it up. So sometimes if it did not load up, just minimize and click on it again. You can see now, when I click on it, say which extension do you want to connect with? You see, because it detects that I have two this thing there. Okay. It detects that I have two extensions. See it. So you can say sometimes I will choose MetaMask. I will say MetaMask. You see, it will not bring up MetaMask. See MetaMask. It will not tell you to, you see, it will tell you to connect. You see, connect, say connect this website with MetaMask. You see it. You see it. Now, this is my current wallet on my MetaMask. Okay. This is my current wallet on my MetaMask. Contribution one, this wallet. So if I want to change the account, maybe to another website, I have money or something, I can click on this. But then I will not click on connect. You see, it's saying connecting. You see it. Okay, so you can see from here, it told us to now for every transaction you want to do, it will always tell you to what to, you know, it will always tell you to click on confirm. Now you can see that it's trying to connect to Binance Matching. Probably maybe because I was connected to, I switched to Binance Matching. But now let me cancel this thing first. Let me cancel this. I'll click on cancel first. So since I click on cancel, it will not log me in. You can see it will not log me in because I click on cancel. Now this is why I click on cancel is that you see it, see it's showing Rembit here, manage permission. All right. Let me show something. Now the reason why I click on cancel is this. Let me go to token because I select Binance Matching. Let me click on this. Let me see all popular tokens. So I want to know where, because sometimes, okay, let me click on this place here. This thing that I said you will see, board. It will show you the website you're connecting to. You can see it's telling me that I'm connected to this website. Let me click on manage permission. You see it. So I want to I will see disconnect here. I will disconnect. I want to disconnect to it, disconnect. You see, I've disconnected from that website. Anywhere you see this board, you click on it. If you see anything there, go down and disconnect from it. Else, you will not know that your website is connected to your wallet. Now, but this is it here. You see this place where it says all popular networks here. Like I showed you, if you want this thing to show on your full browser like this, you see on my full browser like this, all you just have to do is all you just have to do it if you're on any website. Let's say we're on this website. If you click on this MetaMask on your PC, if you click on this website, you just click on this menu icon right here. You will see open full screen. If you click on open full screen, to help you to open MetaMask in your full screen like this. You can now use it like this. So you see where they say open the popular network. I selected BNB chain before, but I want to leave it at all popular network. Why? I want to know which blockchain it asked me to connect to. So like I said, unlike all these traditional whereby like Nigeria that will be registering on Web3, you don't need those things. All you just need is what? Just know whether there's a Web3 icon. You see that you see a connect, or you will see Trust Wallet icon, or you will see MetaMask icon, or you see phantom logo, which is meant for Solana. If they tell you say or connect with or join with, you will know that this website using Web3. But please do not just connect to any Web3 website. It is dangerous because you know that this thing is powerful. Connecting me, you are giving them access to your wallet to be able to see everything you are doing. It's just like the same way you say you go and log in. Imagine you go and log your, those people that used to scam, that used to hack somebody's account now. They might go and design fake Facebook. Maybe you do not know. You now go and put your Facebook email and password, and the thing will be sent to them. The same thing too. If you go and connect your wallet to a scam Web3 website, immediately you get access. You grant them access to your. If you connecting means you are granting them access to your wallet. And when you do that, if it is a bad website, they can transfer your funds away. Okay, be careful. So that's why don't just say because you understand Web3 and then you're not going to start looking for any website that has Web3 logo connect or MetaMask. You now start connecting your wallet to it. Be careful. All right. If after you want to do that, ensure you want to test any this thing. Test first with a wallet that you feel you don't really have money inside. Okay. So you see this one now. Except maybe you want to buy on popular decentralized exchange that I'm going to be showing you. Those one now you are free. All right. But you see this thing now. Let me now click it again. Let's say we click on this. They will first asking for username. I'll put JC because they need the username, right? But we are not filling all those password and code because we were three. You don't need to be setting all this your password. No. Because your wallet alone, that means if I register on this website, even in 10 years' time, let's say I want to log in, I don't need to remember any password or anything. All right. I don't need to remember anything. This one that I see that they are saying here that they're asking for this username. It is because I'm about to register for the very first time. So they need the username. But let's say I want to log in. I won't need to provide this username. I will only just need to click on this MetaMask icon or connect button. I will connect and it log me in. Can you see that that one now is better? On the only thing just need is as far as you remember, you know where you kept your mnemonic phrase, which you can import inside, you can use to log into your wallet address. That is all you need. If you go to any Web3 website, you don't need to be putting in password and anything on the Web3 website. No, all you just need you just see their connect or MetaMask icon or Phantom icon. You click it and connect, and it will log you in instantly. Compared to so you and somebody that both but a person that registered on the website with email and password now, coming 10 years later, I might not remember the email and password using logging in. But you coming here 10 years later, nothing concerned with email and password because what? You log in with Web3. What did we just say? Oh, yeah, log in with your wallet. To log in with your wallet, simply download MetaMask extension, import your memory freeze. Once you import it, come back to the website, click on connect, and it will ask you for permission, which it will ask me. Let's say I click on submit it, just load up this thing for you exactly like you see it. Immediately load this up for you. It will ask you to connect. You see, connect. It's asking to connect. You see, it's trying to connect. You see it. Now you see that because it's asking me to connect, you see that Ethereum. Now it's showing Ethereum network here. Why? Because I put it in all blockchain. And whenever you put something in all blockchain, that means the default blockchain is Ethereum. Now, what it simply means is that this website usually is allow you to trade. This betting website allow you to trade on any blockchain, whatever. Because that's why you see now that they allow me to use Ethereum now. Let's say me now I want to trade on Solana. I will go and select Solana network and it's connect to my Solana. You can see now that because this one is on Ethereum, if I click on confirm, see confirm. See, what did you see? Immediately I click on confirm. What did you see? It has logged me in. You see, it has logged me. I've started seeing my dashboard. Can you see my dashboard? Buy and sell dashboard. You see my dashboard. You see my can you see my balance here? You see here. I don't have any balance here. Main. You see here. Balance. You see here. You see here. Total zero. They have their own token self. Zero RLB. You see here. You see my account. Can you see JC? You see? You see my profile? Can you see my profile? Now, you see, they say verify email address pending, blah, blah, blah. You see deposit pending, blah, blah, blah. You see that? Me now. You see it? You see that me now? I do not need to be using email and password to register. Now that I've now logged in, they cannot ask me to bind my email. You can see verify your email. They cannot ask me to bind my that. Okay, do I want to create an email address? Should in case maybe I don't want to log in with my Web3 wallet address, I might just log in with my email. You can see from here now I can now decide to put my email address, set the password, set all of those things if I wish. But if I do not want, I might not set it. I can just click log out. You can see here. If I click on log out, see log out. You see it will load. You see that's log me out. You see now that I'm seeing login. Now if I come back here and click on login, see you see people now see instead of putting email because I did not register with email now. Me I'll just come to this place MetaMask. I'll just click on MetaMask. See it will ask me again, which wallet do I want to use? I can say it's Phantom. I want to use Phantom. See, you see, my Phantom will open up. It will tell me to connect. That means maybe I want to connect. I want to log in with Solana. See, yeah, Solana. See, this Solana, I will now click on connect. See, it will now ask me to sign message. You see, this sign message is that you are giving them access to your wallet address. Now you can see that this thing here you see here, that means this platform is currently on Ethereum. How do you know? So know a Web3 platform, any platform, a platform Web3 a website is currently running on. You will see network. You can see that even though I selected Solana, what did you see here? It said network Ethereum. That means remember that I imported the same wallet address of my MetaMask to Solana. So the Ethereum wallet, Ethereum part of it is what is asking me to connect to. Now you see Ethereum. You see Ethereum. See if I click on confirm, it might take me in. You see, it might take me in if it matches my details. Click confirm. Now you see it has logged me in. Can you see it? Can you see it? That's logged me into again. You see it here? Account. You see? JC. You see? You see it? You see it? I don't need to use email. That is how good. All right. That is how good. That is how good Web3 is. With Web3, you don't need to be, you don't need to be thinking, cracking your brain. So I can come back in 20 years' time, still log in. I don't need to remember my email. But those that use email will still need to be cracking their brain. This website is running on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. Because anytime you want to know, you will see network, any name that I put there, Ethereum, you should know. You will see the logo. If it was running on Base, you will see the Ethereum too, but it will have a Base logo. All right. So I'm just giving an example, the difference between this and BetNaja. But BetNaja does not have available for that. See this one, when I say login, what do you see? They just tell me to log in with my email and password. But this one provides me with options to use Web3. See, so I can try to log out again. You see here, I can click log out. I've been able to log out again. You see, I'm out. So that is how Web3 work. When it comes to Web3, when you want to log in now, this thing you see, we'll be using it when we are doing a drop because on Web3, this thing we will be testing. We will just click connect. All we just have to do, we just click on connect until the log us in and we see our dashboard and do all the things we need to do. You see it? So that is how simple Web3 is. Now, we are done with this. Now, whenever it comes to Web3, there's a vital part of it which you need to know. That is the part of the decentralized exchange. Now, you could see that everything we've done so far, the coins have asked you and buy cater, buy this, blah, blah, blah. Most of those things we are doing it on centralized exchange. But when it comes to Web3 and the opportunity, I want to get in early into some project, bro, those projects will not be on centralized exchange. The meme coins, if you want to trade meme coin, for some of you that saw the meme video I did, all those things we use the centralized exchange, which you call DEX, to trade them. You cannot trade them on decentralized. You cannot trade meme coin on centralized exchange, except for those that has been listed on centralized exchange, which there are few that gets listed to centralized exchange because most centralized exchange don't list meme coin. Out of the 100% of meme coin in the world, only about 0.001% that gets listed on exchanges. All right. So one of the vital part of Web3 is the centralized exchange. There's nobody that will say is in Web3 today that does not know how to use the centralized exchange. If you see anybody that is into Web3 and does not know how to use the decentralized exchange, that person is lying to you. Run from the person. Because decentralized exchange is the part of Web3, is the whole idea. Or some of this airdrop you are going to be doing, the testing airdrop you are going to be doing, it is this decentralized exchange. The decentralized exchange is what you are going to be testing out first. Every airdrop you see that many people has won out there from Web3 is as a result of them using those projects decentralized exchange. So if you do not know how to use decentralized exchange and we start airdrop or you see another airdrop going on, how will you interact with the decentralized exchange of those projects? You have to interact with them. You have to, because most of the airdrop that we've gotten, okay, the answer that they gave to me, how was I able to get answer? By interacting with their decentralized exchange. That is how I was able to be. So everything you want to do in the airdrop space has to do with decentralized exchange. Because the world is going decentralized. Just say we have Binance, Bybit, and Co. We have in the Web3 home, it's called decentralized. You have to know how to use it. And there's always a way they used to look like. All right. And now every blockchain have their own decentralized exchange. But now blockchain has upgraded now. A decentralized exchange can now serve multiple blockchain. And it's not easy. But you see, you need to still understand one thing, pay attention. Even though some decentralized exchange support some blockchain, there are some coin you might want to buy. If you go and use that centralized exchange, you won't be able to buy. Why? Because there is no liquidity in that exchange. Now, let me explain this to you. When it comes to decentralized exchange, the way coin is created on Web3 is this. I explain to you those of you that come to life. For example, you are a maker, you have a bag business. You can decide to turn your business into create a Web3 for version of this model for it. You can decide to create a Web3 platform, e-commerce platform where they can buy your bag. You can decide to now create a coin, just like this Rollbit. You see this Rollbit we see now. This Rollbit also have a coin. See, Rollbit coin. You see it. If you want to buy it, you can buy it on exchange. You can see their coin is currently worth 0.0729. You see, they created a betting platform. Now they now create a coin for this betting platform, which means if you want to bet on this betting platform, you have two choices. You see that you use your own normal coin like Solana, BNB, Binance Smart Chain, or you can decide to use their own coin. You can see their own coin here. If you go and search it on Coin Market Cap, CoinCo, you will see it there. I'm not saying you should buy it. Don't buy it because this is not a meaningful project. This is just a gambling project. So I don't know why you would want to buy it. All right. Okay. But then you could see that some people are chatting on their platform. See, people are chatting. So their platform is huge anyways. But I don't like a betting platform because on their platform is not about betting alone. It's the betting platform, but the betting platform on different kind of games. Now they might have this platform might do well in the future, but I'm not going to invest on this raw Bitcoin because the price already is 0.07, which is good if you have money. But I don't like it. But they have a nice project because you can see people here communicating here. See, my name is you see people communicating here. You see, IBTC kid, how are you doing? You can go and check it out. You can see people chatting there. You see, people are playing game. You see, my mind keep messing up every 5 plays and takes my money. No bis. You see, people are gambling their money on this place. So I won't advise to go there so that I won't go and get addicted to it and start spending your money, spending your hard-earned money just because you want to make money. Okay, before you know what's going on, you blow off all your money. It's addictive. So don't go there and start interact. I'm just showing you. But consider they have their own coin, just like I was explaining to you, like a maker. You as a maker, you have a business. You too can create a coin for your project. See, they create coin for their own. You can see the coin here. And you can see that whenever I click on login, see, whenever I click on login with MetaMask, you see, just so you will know. Now, you as a maker, all right, you as a maker, if you log in, if the thing is not loading up, click on it again. Now, you as a maker now, you can decide to create a coin for your business, your back, and say anybody, okay, anybody that is going to buy from you can start to tell them that, okay, oh, you can start to tell them that, okay, oh, you will have to buy my bag with, okay, you will have to buy my bag with my coin. All right. You can see this thing is on Ethereum. That's why it has this Ethereum logo. If it was on base network, you see that Ethereum, it should have a base logo. So if I click on confirm and it has logged me in, you see here zero RLB. That means because I did not have their coin, this coin here, I can decide to buy their coin to my wallet. I don't even need to buy it here. And I go and check the exchange that they are trading. Or I can even buy it with Google Pay or Co. If I buy it to my wallet, let's say this is my wallet account address. This wallet, this wallet address is here. This phantom wallet address here. You see here. If I buy their coin and their coin is sitting down in my wallet here, because I connected my wallet to their platform, you see here, it will be showing my balance here. That is one thing about Web3. You see now that it is not like my coin is on their website. Oh. You people should pay attention and understand in this way how Web3 works. See, I've logged in here through my wallet. That's why I'm seeing this balance. You see, I'm seeing this is zero balance because inside this my Trust wallet, this is my Trust wallet of my inside this my Phantom wallet or my MetaMask wallet. I do not have their coin there. Now let's say I have this coin, this Robin coin sitting in my wallet. Like let's say I have about 5,000. Immediately I connect my wallet to their platform like this. You see, this 5,000 will be showing here. You see 5,000 will be showing here. Now, that 5,000 that is showing here is showing in their website. But trust me, that coin is not on their website. That coin is sitting in my own wallet. You see that at my own bank. If, let's say, while I'm using these people's platform, they now ban me for their platform that I should not use their platform again. That does not mean I've lost this my coin. Why? Because it is not sitting in their own website. It is sitting in my own wallet. It is because I connect to their own website to trade that I'm not seeing my balance. Can you see the difference? But if this platform was centralized, for example, if this platform was centralized, now, if somebody X now, for example, let me now show you something. If somebody else went to go and register on this Roblit now with just his email and address and password, the person did not connect to his MetaMask. He did not connect anything to it. He did not connect anything whatsoever. He just registered with his own email and password and now login. He will see this 02. If he now go and buy coin from here and deposit directly into this place, his balance will be showing as well. But that means he's using this centralized version of this website. Now, the person's balance is showing here. If they ban this person's account now, you see all his money that is here is gone. His money is gone. Why? Because he registered directly with his email and go and buy coin on it. Just the same way you go and register on Binance, Bybit, and you put your money there. Binance and Bybit ban your account. Your money is gone, except they choose to say they should provide a wallet, they send it to you. They send it to you here. But you see, but you now that you log in with Web3 and you have money, you have coin, you have their coin in your own wallet address. The balance will be showing here. But the balance that is showing here is because you've connected to their own blockchain. There's what we call contract address. You've connected. So their blockchain is tracking that this person is owning our coin. It will now reflect their balance here. But that balance that is reflecting here, it is not their own. It is your own because you're on your own bank now. Okay? That thing is inside the blockchain. That coin you bought that is in your wallet too. It is not on Trust wallet. It is not on Phantom wallet that it is sitting or MetaMask. It is sitting inside blockchain. Phantom wallet is just providing you a user interface to be seeing it. So that is why if Phantom wallet today crash or Trust MetaMask today crash, you've not lost all your coin. No. All you just need is go and look for another Web3 wallet that is available. Import that same mnemonic phrase. You will start seeing your coin back. That's what I'm trying to explain. The same truth. That is the whole concept about Web3. That's why Web3 is massive. This website now, let's say I have the balance here in my wallet address. This Phantom and I connect, I'll see the balance here on us, and I can use it to do anything, play any game here. I'm telling you, if I even make money, let's say as I win game here, let's say I play, I win, I play, I win, I play, I win. As I'm winning, my balance that will be reflecting here. It's just my wallet is reflecting, it's going, it's just reflecting here. So let's say this will ban me, I did not lose my money. But if I register with email and password, I deposit, they ban me, I've lost my money. Now, look at Bet Nigeria I explained to you. If you log in on Bet Nigeria now, you have to form Bet Nigeria now, you form Bet Nigeria from your bank, to be playing gamble on their place. If Bet Nigeria disable your account, your money inside is gone. Because it's Web2, they are not controlling it. That money is deposit that you see that is reflecting on that website. But if tomorrow now Bet Nigeria have the the Web3 version, maybe you can now connect with your Trust wallet, you can connect with your MetaMask, your Phantom wallet to gamble on their this thing, and you now connect to it to deposit. Maybe they have a coin, even if they don't have a coin, that you can take with your USDT, because yes, you can take with your USDT, you can see all the coins, the many coin here. Maybe you now connect to their own platform too. You now go start trading with your money because those trade will be placed, you'll be placing it directly from your wallet address. From your wallet address. So if any money you make is directly directly to your wallet address. If But now you're now buying your account, you do not lose your money. Why? Because your money is sitting in your wallet address. So I just connected to their platform, and it will be their platform will allow you will now be showing your balance from their own end. Just like this one showing balance here, that is zero. This zero that I see is reflecting here is as a result of the zero of their coin in my wallet. As me, I have one of their coin in my wallet. One will show here. That is the beauty of Web3. That means you are your own bank. Nobody will just wake up one morning and say, okay, I don't want you on my platform again. Well, for that reason, all your money that is them, bam, just say we're in bank now, you have your money. Remember that you own your money. If anything should go wrong with one of your ID, let's say your name just missing, your ID has expired, you want to withdraw money, we see that we try to transfer, you say it will not go fail. It will not go to bank. They start telling you, you start filling form. Okay, if you now start telling them that, okay, I'm not banking with you again, give me my money, they will not answer. They will tell you that we have a protocol, you have to come back 7 days. And if the person is in point of life and death, I'm sure you've heard story of people in point of life and death that they need money in the bank will still on top of your money. They will still say no protocol, blah 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 blah. Nothing. We shout because we trust it. Bundle you out of the bank on top of your money. Can you see the difference? And bank can disable your account and say your money is gone. They can say they because of this also case, somebody transfer money to your account and we label fraud. But you see with Web3, you are the one in charge. That is the beauty of Web3. A bank can decide to go Web3 now and say, I should come and manage my money. Trust me. I'm waiting for the first bank that will start doing it. See, tomorrow now, a bank might come and decide to if Nigeria approve, if future come or somebody can even start it. It's just somebody that as we say, I get money like that. As I have money to partner with people, it's an idea what somebody can do. Starting the first Web3 bank in Nigeria. How will it work? Instead of just mobile banking, this thing, you create a blockchain. If you want to manage your money, we have our banking application. But for you to manage your money and maybe enjoy some of our banking services, you want to send to another. Let's say you want to send money to another bank. You want to send money to another bank. I want to send money to First Bank, for example. All you just have to do is your own money is sitting in your. Maybe you want to send your money to another bank. You have USDT, but you want to send Naira. You want to send anything to another. Maybe you want to send to First Bank of Nigeria. You want to send to GTB Bank, and you have USDT. We can create an app, maybe in the future, a project whereby a Web3 bank that allows you to send to your local bank. That means you have 200, you might have 1,000 USDT. You want to send, maybe you want to send 130,000 naira to somebody else. And we'll just automatically look at, okay, what is the 130 based on the exchange? What is 130,000 naira? We say, okay, let's say it's $100. What will you do? Instead of you don't need to have money in that our bank. What you just have to do, you just log into the app, connect your wallet. Immediately you connect your wallet, that place in your bank, let's say your GTB bank, your OPay bank, where it will show your balance. The thing will just be reflecting the balance of your trust of your wallet. Let's say your trust wallet, you have 200,000 or $1,000 there. Immediately you log in and connect. Let's say, for example, it's OPay. You log in, you connect your wallet to that OPay, which is our bank. Let's say it's our bank. Immediately you connect your wallet, that back place that's supposed to show a balance in your normal OPay will just be showing $1,000. It will now show the equivalent in Naira. So now you will now see the normal functions of the OPay that you can send money to another bank. You can click on send. Immediately you click on send, you'll be able to send money, right? Now, let's say you want to send 130,000 naira to someone else in GT Bank. You immediately click on send, then they will ask you to approve the transaction from your wallet. Once you approve it, we calculate it in dollars and say, oh, this 130,000 naira that you want to send is $100. So immediately we deduct $100 from your trust wallet. Maybe it's trust wallet or MetaMask you used to connect to it, and automatically it will convert to naira and send to the person, and we will collect our fee. Let's say our fee is just maybe like 100 naira. We will now send the money to the person GT Bank. We do the automatic conversion. Can you see that one now, your mind is at peace? You get? Because if tomorrow we ban your OPay account, you did not lose money. Why? Because your money is not sitting in our bank. Your money is sitting in your wallet. We were just acting as an interface for you to be able to send to other banks. So for you to now say you now have to connect your wallet. So that means you are now your own bank. It's as if now that you as your own bank and using my bank, we are in partnership together. You see this thing I just said now, I'm not supposed to share it in this video. Because if somebody else in the future now, maybe a tech guy here now, listen to this now, and he has somebody that has money, he might cut this part and go and discuss with the person, and they might go and do it. But in case you are watching, you might bring me in, because now me get the idea here, but not be a person will get the idea, and a person will first do and will get the money. I'm telling you, this I'm saying you will see it in the future. But when you see it, remember that I said it today. Because what? The world is going digital to Web3. And that's why you have to prepare for all these things. Because money can come for you at any time. You can make money in this Web3 space at any time. And you will remember that I have a project I want to do in Web3. Trust me, I'm working on a project. I want to do a forum. You see what I'm telling you? This is what Web3 is all about. And this is what's happening in this website. I connect my wallet, but this balance showing is as a result of what I have in my wallet address. If I have 200 of this coin here in my wallet, it will show here. But that does not mean it's on their website. You see it? That's I'm telling you that money you have on your Trust wallet, Phantom wallet, is your own. If Phantom wallet close tomorrow, nothing do your money, just go on for another Web3 wallet import. But if your money on MEXC, Bybit short now today, if I want $1 million there, the money is gone. No. Because your money is on their website. Just like I explained this thing to you. All right. Now, coming to decentralized exchange, I told you that we need decentralized exchange. Because if we have Everything in this world is all about trade and barter, exchange now, exchange of goods and services. So every blockchain have exchanges, their own decentralized exchange. And I said many decentralized exchange now support different blockchain. Now on Binance Smart Chain, Binance Smart Chain is also called BIP20 or BSC. Whenever I hear Binance Smart Chain, the abbreviation is called BSC. Some people will say BNB chain. It is owned by Binance, and Binance coin is called BNB. So whenever you hear Binance Smart Chain, Binance Smart BSC, or you hear BNB chain, all right, or you hear BIP20, they are talking about Binance Smart Chain. Whenever you hear that, the exchange that should come to your mind that you want to go and the decentralized exchange that should come to your mind is called PancakeSwap.finance. PancakeSwap. And it is usually the same interface, almost all of them. PancakeSwap.finance. For every decentralized exchanges, what they used to have is they will have two interfaces that will look like a swap. Remember that in your Bybit, when you want to use the P2P features, I told you that you will need to move your phone from unified trading account to funding account. Now you will see that there's a switch. That is how decentralized exchange always is. One will be at the top, one will be at the bottom. You see, the one that is at the top is always called from. So you are trying to swap. Now, decentralized exchange has to do with swap. Unlike decentralized exchange where you will set limit and blah blah blah, most decentralized exchange have a swap futures. But new ones now have started implementing the futures of limit, just like Anstar. But some does not have it. But what you will see there is swap. And how do you do it? You have to swap one coin to another. For example, I told you that the decentralized exchange for Binance is called PancakeSwap.finance. You see it here. So any coin that you go and look up on, maybe I say, come and buy this coin, and you say, where is the coin? I say the coin is on Binance Smart Chain. Or better still, you go and you type the name of the coin on CoinGecko. You now check the contract address. You now see Binance Smart Chain contract address there. All right, all you need is copy the contact address and come to this place and come and buy it. You don't need to start asking me, boss, should I go and buy on this? The next thing should be PancakeSwap. And you can see they say everyone's favorite deck because PancakeSwap is one of the is the second best decentralized exchange that came out first after Uniswap in the world. You can see everyone's favorite decks. These decks mean what? Decentralized exchange. If I'm interacting with this thing now, no be demand, nothing. If I now you will see that they say trade crypto instantly across 10 chains. When you say 10 chains mean 10 blockchain, you can see all the blockchain they support. When this PancakeSwap first came out, it was only meant for Binance Smart Chain. You see Binance Smart Chain because it is been all right. Later on, all this decentralized exchange has evolved. They now support many blockchain. Now you can buy Ethereum based projects on it, Binance Smart Chain, Arbitrum One, Base Mainnet, Aptos. You can even buy Solana project on it. OpenBNB chain. Don't confuse OpenBNB chain with Binance Smart Chain. They are different blockchain. Monad. You can see them. That means if you want to buy now, you can see a project on Base Network. All right, a project on Base Network now, and come and buy it here. But provided that liquidity is there, because it's what we call liquidity. Whenever a project is created, value is attached to those projects, and there's always an exchange where the value is attached to. So a person, I can create a project now. I can create a coin now on Base Network and list it on PancakeSwap. If you not try to go and buy it on another Base Network swap exchange, it might not work because there's no liquidity there. All right, because there's no liquidity there. You can see, and I will give an example later on. You will see that this one now, let's say you want to use PancakeSwap now to buy any coin, because I told you that that's a swap. What you just need to do is what? You will see this place, they say get started. I told you that whenever I check any Web3, this you always see connect wallet. See here, this one has connect wallet. You see it, connect wallet. You see connect wallet. Now, if I connect this wallet, beside it, what do you see here? They say BNB chain. For anytime you want to use any swap and decentralized exchange, you must always select the blockchain you want to trade the coin on. All right? Because you see that they say they support many blockchains. So the question is, which blockchain you want to buy coin on? Let's say I want to buy Cake, which is the coin of this place here. Or let me just go here. Let me come to this CoinGecko. Let me come to CoinGecko for you guys. I think the coin the coin I gave that day. I think what was the name, Seth? What was the name? Is it PZP? Okay, PZP. Okay, plays up PZP. Let's see where PZP is trading. Okay, you can see that. See contract. You see this logo now. PZP is on Binance Smart Chain. If you click on these three dots, it will show you whether it's still on different other blockchain. Now, PZP is also on Core blockchain, and PZP is also on Solana, which means you can buy PZP on Solana, you can buy it on Core blockchain, and you can buy it on Binance Smart Chain. But I told you there are some blockchain that you should not even go to. All right. So now, see, this PZP is on Binance Smart Chain. So I will copy the contact address now. Now, since it is on Binance Smart Chain, the first thing that you should check, I told you to always check market. If you check market, they will tell you where it's trading. You can see that PancakeSwap is there. See it. PancakeSwap, MX, KuCoin, Gates, Radium. You see, because Radium is also a what? Decentralized exchange on Solana and JUP.ag. Most coin on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, whenever you check their market, if it is Solana based, it is Radium you'll be seeing. You will never see JUP.ag. But even though you see Radium, don't go and buy on Radium. Oh. When it is anything that has to do with Solana coin and you want to buy it on a decentralized exchange, it is JUP.ag you should go. Even if you see Radium there, see. So that look, this is how Radium. Let me open up Radium too for you so that we see. I will explain that later to you. But let's go back to what I'm saying now. You can see PancakeSwap is here on the market. But me, I don't need to check market like I told you. Immediately you come and check a coin and see that the contract address is showing Binance Smart Chain, and you don't want to go and buy it on centralized, except you want to go and buy it on centralized exchange. That's maybe you have money on centralized exchange. That is when you can come to market and start checking the centralized exchange they are trading. You can see this one. You see CEX, centralized exchange, centralized exchange, centralized exchange. Why do you see these two says? DEX, decentralized exchange. Now, if I was you, me, I won't even check. Immediately I come here and I see a coin, I see this logo, Binance Smart Chain. All right. If you click these three dots, you see Solana. Once I see Binance Smart Chain, I just copy this contract address straight away. I come to what? PancakeSwap.finance. Don't go through Google because there's some fake one like PancakeSwap.io. Those ones are scam. Oh. Don't connect your wallet to it. PancakeSwap.finance. You see it. Immediately I come here, you will see a connect here. Before you connect, ask yourself which blockchain is the coin you want to trade. You could see that PZP is trading on what? Binance Smart Chain. It also is trading on Solana. I will click on this BNB. You see this logo here. You will see different blockchain that this thing is working on. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see 10 blockchain. So it is not your job to select because if you go and select Ethereum and this PZP is not trading on Ethereum, you are just wasting your time. So I'll just select BNB chain. See BNB chain. Then you now click on connect. Immediately you click on connect, you see it will now ask you. See immediately I click on connect. Some of this Web3 will tell you because we have different Web3 wallets. It will ask you which wallet do you want to connect. You see it said top wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Binance have their own wallet too that is called Binance Wallet. All right, we have you can see Phantom trees here, more wallets. See Phantom. Then we have OKEX. Then there are still some more wallets here. You see some more wallets. See if I click on more wallet here, you will see Wallet Connect. You will see Coinbase. You will see Opera. Opera Mini 2 have Web3 wallet so that you will know Opera Mini 2 have Web3 wallet. You see, we have plenty of Web3 wallets. You see here, we have Brave Brothers who have Web3 wallets. We have Mass Wallet. We have Token Pocket. I used to tell you guys. We have Sail Power Wallet. Yes, Sail Power. We have Coin Niger. Coin is actually. We have Phantom. We have Soulflare. We have Glow. We have BitGet. BitGet will also have their own, Web3 wallet. You see Exodus, Backpack. You see, there are a lot of Web3 wallets. So that's why I said anything you are doing is sitting in your wallet address. So if tomorrow, let's say Trust Wallet shut down, you have no problems, you have nothing to fear. Your money is still intact in your wallet address. All you just have to do is, you see plenty, you can go and download Coinbase wallet, import a wallet address and start managing your funds and continue doing what you're doing. You see, so but from here, we know that the popular ones is this. I told you that the popular ones are MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Phantom Wallet for Solana. So me, because I'm on using browser, I told you anytime you're using browser, if you are connected, if you want to trade on Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Base Network, Monad, all those things, Aptos, Linear, is MetaMask. We use for all of them. Even though the airdrop we are going to be using on laptop is MetaMask we are going to be using, except it is Solana based. If it's Solana based airdrop, then you will use Phantom. But if it's on your mobile phone, everything that has to do with Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, blah blah blah, we are going to be using Trust Wallet. But if Trust Wallet is giving us issue, we now switch to MetaMask. If MetaMask wallet is still giving us issue, we now go and use our Mises browser or Quetta browser. All right, so that is just it. So you see from here, I will now connect to MetaMask. You see, I will just select MetaMask. They will not tell me to connect. You see, they say EV. You see, I told you EVM compatible. EVM. See, they say EVM stands for Ethereum Virtual Machine and allows different blockchains to run Ethereum Blaze apps using the same wallet address. They asked me to, am I trying to connect to EVM or Solana? I will say EVM because it is Solana I want to connect. It is Binance Smart Chain I want to use now, and Binance Smart Chain is EVM, but Solana is not EVM. You see it. I will now say I'll click on this connect. Immediately it will load up MetaMask for me. See, it will load my MetaMask and show my wallet that I'm currently on. All right. If I want to switch wallet, I can click on edit account and now click on connect. So it say connecting. Now it will now connect. Immediately connect. It's actually, you see now that it has connected. See, it's what I see here. This is my wallet address. You see, it will show your first two and your last four. You can see if I put it there. You see my wallet address. If I put it there, you see my wallet address is showing. You can see 0x6EA. You see I'm connected now. You see immediately I'm connected now. Now that I'm connected now, you see it. You see this place. You see here. It will be showing all your balance or any coin you have. You can say I have 0 BNB. As me I have 1 BNB here. As me I have 1 BNB inside my wallet address from this MetaMask. In this place, it will be showing it as 1 BNB. If I have 1 BNB, right, it will be showing it. And I told that because it's showing it does not mean this website is where I have my money. No, I only connect to this website, and this website is showing everything I have in my wallet address. So if this website ban me from using their website, it does not touch my money. Okay, so you see it now. Now that I'm connected, you can see for you to know that I'm connected. You see a wallet address showing like this. From here, let's say I have BNB. You see my own BNB will show here that I have BNB. Now let's say I want to now buy this. Remember that. Let's say I want to buy this PZP now. I told that what you need is copy the contact address. You now come to your PancakeSwap here because I told that if you want to buy on Binance Smart Chain, have it at the back of your mind that PancakeSwap is the decentralized exchange for Binance Smart Chain. Now you will now come to this place here. Now The coin that is always up is the coin you want to use to purchase the second one. I want to purchase PZP back. This second one too is where I will click. I will now paste the contract address. I don't need to start searching for PZPA. See, if I start searching for PZPA, truly it might bring it up, oh, but I won't click it because sometimes if you just go and search for the name, there might be different coin with the same PZP name. Don't do that. Don't just come here. For some people, who just come here now that might watch this video now and say Keta. They just come here and type Keta. See, even though it did not show, some people can still say KTA. You still say no show. But there are some places that it will show you the coins. You now go and click and are fake. So instead, what should you do in this box? Just paste the contact address. Paste it. It will help you to show you. See, it will show it for you. See, place up. Then you now click on it. You see, it is now put it here. That means this BNB means I want to use BNB to purchase PZP. For me to purchase, they will now ask me here. This place means how much worth of PayZap I want to buy. Okay, let's say I have one BNB, which is currently $600 and something, right? If I can say I want to buy maybe $60 worth of PZP, I can just put 0.1. All right. If I put 0.1, 0.1 is it's $58. 0.1 is $58. When I click on, you see 0.1, that is 58. See, that is now that means for $58, I will get 13,222 PZP. See, immediately I click on this get started. See it now. If I click on this get started, you see that it might bring me to this page. It brought me to this page, which is still the same thing. It's still the same thing you need to do. No different. Just put 0. You see 0.1. You see, it's showing my wallet address here. My wallet is showing here. Swap. You see it. That means I want to buy how much? 0.1. You see, this is my wallet. It should have $0. I don't have any amount of this thing there. You see, PZP, this amount of PZP I will get. But see here, it says insufficient balance. That's why I cannot swap. Assuming I have balance there, I will see swap here. Once I click on swap, it will load up and tell me to what? It will tell me to, I will see a notification here that will say one, but it will load up, it will automatically load up my trust wallet, my MetaMask, and tell me to approve the transaction. Once I click on approve, you just see that 0.1 will be deducted from my BNB, and my balance on PZP will be showing 13,134. All right, so because I don't have money here, this is how you use swap this thing. You can see that this was the same way I buy Vanta or JP.TG. It's very, very simple. Very, very simple. And immediately you buy this coin and that you buy, you should know that immediately you buy this coin will be sitting on your wallet, not on on PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap does not store anybody's coin. PancakeSwap is not like Binance. Decentralized exchange does not store your coin. That's one thing about Web3. Decentralized exchange does not store this thing on their platform. They store it in your wallet. They only allow you to be able to see any balance you have on your wallet on their interface, functioning as if you are using Web2. Unlike Binance now or MetaMask, any coin you buy is sitting on the wallet on the exchange. But on Web3, all this exchange is not sitting. So if I buy this coin and I'm seeing it sitting here, I'm seeing my balance, I'm seeing the coin. All right, I'm seeing the coin. That does not mean the coin is on their website. No, it's my wallet. And they are just showing me everything that is on my wallet on their platform, right? But now when it comes to Binance Smart Chain now, there's sometimes I might want to buy a coin. Let me tell you sometimes, you want to buy a coin, I want to swap it. Let's say you see this coin now. You see that when I put 0.1 now, this thing is showing that I have 1,000, I will get 1,000, 13,244, right? If I click, let's say I have balance and I click on swap, trust me, sometimes it will not swap. It will be giving me some sort of error, blah, 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 error, blah, blah, blah. Do you know why? The reason is because it might tell me that slippage is too low, blah, blah, blah. And those slippage is telling me that you can tell me my slippage is too low. This thing is called slippage tolerance. See, it might tell me that slippage is too low. It's always good to leave this thing as auto so that it will be determine the slippage for you. But sometimes it tell me that slippage is too low, blah, blah, blah. So in that case, what you would have to do, you will have to make this thing like a whole number. Instead of 13,226, you have to ensure this thing here, you change it to maybe like some sort of maybe like 13,200. All right? Or better still, you just leave it as 13,000. To just have 3 zeros should be 2 figures and zeros. Or better if you feel say you get money, you can say 14,000. You see it, you can just say 14,000, or you can just leave it at 13,000. You should have 13 zeros instead of, because sometimes if the thing see that you are using 13,250 something, it will not allow you to go. It will want you to put it in a decimal this thing. Okay. So you just leave it to 13,000. It's always like that. Sometimes maybe like the coin you want to buy, maybe the unit is 178,209. Instead of that, you can just leave it to 178,000. Okay, it might be that maybe the coin you want to buy is 178,60659. See like this, it might not go. You see, which is 1.4 BNB. It might not want to go. So in that case now, you can leave the first three and let the remaining first three be zero. You can just let the first three say 1, 2, 3. All right, now put 0, 0, 0. Let it just be have you know 0, 0. So because so that it go, it is not there to go through, but it might still give issue again. In that case, that's where this website now comes in. I'm sure many people know this website that has been long in Web3. Instead of whenever I see a coin I want to buy on PancakeSwap, whenever I see a coin that is on Binance Smart Chain, instead of using PancakeSwap to buy it, because of this issue I just explained to you, that usually happen, and I don't want to be stressing myself to be addicting. What do I used to do? I would just use a website called poolcoin.app, POOCOIN.app. But before you use Poolcoin, always ensure that you disconnect from your PancakeSwap. I will still come back and show you. I'll just come back and use Poolcoin.app, see Poolcoin. This Poolcoin.app, you can see BSC chart. This Poolcoin.app was like the desk screener of back then. This Poolcoin.app allows us to automatically buy coin on the Binance Smart Chain network automatically. Instead of that issue that I just explained on my face, with Poolcoin.app, it will automatically set our slippage for us automatically and process the transaction. Poolcoin.app was a decentralized Web3 platform, trading platform built on Solana, built on Binance Smart Chain by a developer, and they make serious money in 2021. Serious money. Now they're not really making money like that. They're still making money, but it's not like before because we now have Descreen and Nazium and other ones, right? They have left them behind because they should have upgraded. Okay. So now you can see this is Poolcoin.app, is a Web3 website too. I told you before, in order to use any Web3 website, you have to connect. You can see this one to have connect. You see connect. Now, but this one now has connect now. There's no place I can decide that I can choose the kind of blockchain I want to use because it is primarily meant for Binance Smart. You can see it. So and this Poolcoin, you guys will need it. Please pay attention. You guys will need it now. Any coin you buy, if the coin is on Binance Smart Chain, and you want to track the price of the coin, let's say for those of you that is complaining that I bought a coin, I could not see the price. Let's say it is a Binance Smart Chain coin. If you want to see the price of all your coin, it is very, very simple. Just come to Poolcoin.app, click on connect your wallet. If you connect your wallet like this, you see it will load up. It will load up your MetaMask. You wait for it to load up. If it did not load up, it's taking time. You see that this one is taking time. I will cancel it. I will click on connect again. You see until I load it up. It will now ask me. Poolcoin.app is Binance Smart Chain, so always choose MetaMask first. MetaMask, don't you see MetaMask? You see that this one is asking me. You see MetaMask install, Phantom install. You see, so you see it will tell you to review permission and connect. You will now click on confirm. The same thing if you want to process transaction on Binance Smart Chain. If you bring all these kind of things, you will now click on confirm. All right, you see, it will now be connecting. It should now connect. Now, I can see that I connect because I connect. See, saying log out because I connect. Now that I connect, it will come to this place that says you see wallet here. Click on it. You start seeing all the coin you have. For now, I don't have any coin. You can see I have BNB, WBNB, and BNB. You see, it starts showing their price. See their price. This WBNB mean wrapped BNB is the same thing. So you see, now let's say you have any other token you've bought. All those tokens will be showing here. If you click on wallet, it will be showing here. In case the token did not show, all you just have to do is click on this load new token. Right? But please be careful. Sometimes when you click on this load new token, you might just see some token that you do not buy there that is big money. Don't click on it to buy it. Don't sell it. You might see a big money. You might be saying, hey, how do you make this money? Those are scam tokens. There are sometimes some scam token will be sent to your wallet by people you do not know, and you see it is in every price. Please don't click on them. Oh, I'm begging you, don't click on them. See this Poolcoin.app, we use it to track prices of coin across Binance Smart Chain. So if I buy a coin on my Binance Smart Chain and I don't know what the price of my coin is, all I just need to know if I want to see all the prices is what I just come to Poolcoin.app, connect my wallet to it, and I will see all the list of my coin right here. All the list of my coin will be here and their balance, the worth. Right? It will be showing here. Now let's say we want to buy anything. Now let's say I want to buy I want to buy coin now. Let's say I want to buy coin. Remember that PZP now? I told you instead of buying with PancakeSwap, I don't used to use PancakeSwap to buy coin again. What I used to use to buy any coin on Binance Smart Chain is Poolcoin.app. See Poolcoin.app, Poolcoin, POOCOIN.app. That's what I used to use. See Poolcoin.app. That's what I use. Once you come to Poolcoin, once you come to this your wallet right here, what you just have to do is you will see this WBNB. Click on it. Immediately you click on it. All right. Immediately you click on it. It will bring you to this place here. All right, it will bring you to this place here. It will bring you to this place. All you just have to do is click on this place that says trade. You see this trade? Click on this trade. See trade. Click on it. See trade. So that we've been able to click on trade now. You see, we've been able to click on trade. Or better still, you don't even need to click on it. Now, let's say you come to your this thing and it's like this. Now, the contact address of the coin you want to buy, PZP. You see here where they say enter token address. See this place. Enter token address. Paste the contact address here. It will help you to fetch the coin name. Don't search it to paste the contact address. Paste the contact address. Paste it, and it should help you to look it up. If it is correct, you see it. Let me go and copy it again. Poolcoin.app. Paste it. All right. It is not loading it up. Okay. Let me reload. Paste the contact address. All right. It's not loading it up. Well, I don't know why it's not loading it up. Sometimes it might be like that. Since it's not loading it up, what we do in this case is I can just click on this BNB. All right. Once you click on this BNB, you will see this place that they say trade. You see this thing trade. Click on this trade. You see, you will now see, you see it here. It's the same thing. You see this swap. Don't touch it. Leave it as auto. This thing, the way it is here, leave it. Don't touch it. Leave it. Don't touch it. Leave it to auto. Don't touch it. This slippage, auto. Don't touch it. These two, you see swap from to, you see from where you click on this thing. Which do you click on it, the name like this? See, it will tell you to search token. Place your contact address here. All right, it's not showing. Since the contact address is not showing, we won't be able to use speed. We won't be able to use we won't be able to use Poolcoin. But assuming it's showing, I don't know why it's not showing. Anyways, I don't know anyway why it's not showing. But assuming it's showing, and I don't want to search. Like I said, don't search his name on PZP. Let's see whether the coin is not showing. So it's not there on Poolcoin.app. So because it's not there on Poolcoin.app, there's no nothing you can do. But assuming it's there on Poolcoin.app, honestly, What would have done is this. Let me go and look for another coin. That might be on Binance Smart Chain. Which coin? Oh, okay. Okay, Creo. Let's see Creo. Creo engine. This is Creo. Let me give you an example of Creo. This video is getting long. Okay, you can see Creo 2 is on Binance Smart Chain. See, if you look at Creo 2, Creo 2 is on Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, and Solana. Now, if I come to Bitcoin.app, let's see whether Creo is there. If I click on this if I paste this, you see that Creo shows up. You see? Creo. You see Creo shows up here. You see Creo shows up. You see Creo. I'll just click on it. It should tell you the name. You click on it, see Creo. But then Creo is not supposed to be up. Is the coin you want to use to buy this thing that's supposed to be up? So I will click on this swap like this. So I will make sure that Creo is at the bottom. And this one, you click on it and select BNB. That means you want to use BNB. Sometimes you might have USDT if it is USDT you have. But even though you have USDT, you must still have some BNB as gas fee, right? So let's say it's USDT I want to buy, and I also have BNB as gas fee in my wallet address. Because if I want to, I love holding USDT in my Trust wallet. Okay, but then if my USDT is sitting on Binance Smart Chain, I will have to ensure that I also have some BNB. Maybe I can have maybe like $10 worth of BNB. Let's say I have 100 or 200 USDT sitting on my Trust wallet, which is on BNB Smart Chain. Then I will also ensure that I have about maybe like $10 worth of BNB, because that's where gas will be deducting from transaction fee. Else we will be able to send out. So you see, let's say I come here now, and this is Crew here. This is where I want to use USDT to buy Crew. They will now ask me how much. I will say maybe I want to buy 100. You see it, 100 worth of Crew. That is 93,426. But you see, insufficient USDT balance. I do not have. But assuming I have, what they will tell me, they will tell me to approve. I'll click on approve. See, so once I click on this approve here, but I doubt it if it will go because I don't have gas fee. But let me confirm, Fesha. Let me see. Network fee. See, they say network fee 0.01 BNB. And I don't have BNB. As I said, anything you want to do on Binance Smart Chain, you must have BNB. But that's why they will deduct their network fee. See, so it will not tell me to approve. So I will have to cancel because I don't have BNB here. So you must always have it. So once I click on approve, the next thing that will now show me, it will now tell me to click on swap. Immediately I click on swap, automatically it will help me to determine the slippage automatically, and immediately I'm done buying it, it will convert my USDT to my Crew. I'll see Crew here. Now, remember that this Crew is not on their website, it's on my wallet. It's because I connect my wallet, I'm seeing my balance here. So once I'm done, you will see that I will come to this thing here and click on load new token, and my Crew will be showing here, and the price of it will be showing here. The price of it will be showing here. Even though PZP does not allow me to buy on this website, trust me, if you buy PZP, if you have PZP on, if you buy it on Binance Smart Chain, if you connect to this Crew, you click on load new token, you see your PZP will show you and the balance and the price. It will definitely show you. So I used to use Poolcoin.app to buy coin instead of using PancakeSwap, right? So that is how it is, because Pool.coin is meant for Binance Smart Chain. Poolcoin.app is meant for Binance Smart Chain. I use it because it allows me to buy automatically, so I won't be having issues that I explained to you that you might encounter on PancakeSwap, whereby you will now need to be changing the figures to 00. With Poolcoin.app, you don't need it. Just put the amount, the money you want to use to buy should be in the from the coin you're trying to buy in this thing. So it's Crew. This is where I'm supposed to place my this thing wallet. I'll just click to see Crew. So once you select Crew, you see it to be at the bottom. You see, I'll just buy with USDT, click on approve and click on swap. It automatically swap it for me. You see, that is how simple it is. Now that is that. Now talking about now let's say you want to buy on Ethereum mainnet. What you will need is what? App.uniswap.org. You see it, app.uniswap.org. Just come to app.uniswap.org. Once you come to app.uniswap.org, they will tell you to, they will tell you, you see this thing like that says get started, or you see a connect, see connect here. You see connect here. You see connect here. Now this connect that is here, they might not tell you to select blockchain. But later on when you connect, you need to now select your blockchain. Or you see that you click on get started. If you click on get started, it will take you to this page here. You see, it might take you to this page here, just like the same way Phantom Wallet, Trust Wallet, PancakeSwap took you there. And from here, you see swap. You see, they tell you to connect, or you can either click on this connect or this connect. These three dots. Okay, they did not allow us. They did not say we should choose blockchain, all right? Because some they will tell you to choose blockchain, some they will not tell you. But yeah, you just click on your connect. If I click on my connect, it will tell me to ask me each kind of wallet I want to connect to. You see, it has stated that I have Phantom installed and MetaMask installed. I'll say MetaMask because MetaMask is what I want to use. So whenever I say maybe you want to buy coin on you see it now. It's the same thing too will come up. You see app.uniswap trying to connect. You click on connect. It will be connected. Immediately connect. You see, it will return me back to the page and show me that okay, I've connected. Okay, you see that since I've connected now, you can see now. You say use Solana on Uniswap, you'll be asked to connect on MetaMask. You want me to connect to? He's asking me if I want to use Solana. I will tell him to skip. I'm not using Solana. You can now. Whenever you connect, how you know that you've connected is you will see your wallet address will be showing. You see it. My wallet address is showing here. You see it. That is to tell you that see, I've connected. I've connected. Okay, that is showing that I'm connected. Now that I'm connected, if I want to buy coin here now, you see this Ethereum by showing is zero Ethereum. That's because in my wallet I don't have any Ethereum. As me I have Ethereum, it will be showing here. The balance will be showing. Let's say I want to buy any coin now here now. All right. Let's say I want to use Ethereum or USDT too. I can just come here, click on this first one, click on Theta USDT. Which coin do I want to buy? Let's say I want to buy a coin now. For example, let's say I want to buy I want to buy any. Let's say I have a coin in mind that I want to buy. Maybe I want to buy Ethereum, for example, with my USDT. I'll just come here. How much? I can just say 1,000. To calculate that, okay, 1,000 Ethereum is what? 0.54612 Ethereum. Then yeah, it should show me, it's supposed to show me swap, but the reason why it's not showing me swap, it's because I don't have balance. It's not telling me to add funds to swap. So you see now, but you see that this thing by default is showing me Ethereum blockchain. All right, it's showing me Ethereum blockchain. So that is it by default. You see it. So this is where to buy on Ethereum blockchain. So once you just click on swap, if you convert this USDT to Ethereum, you start seeing your balance in Ethereum, and you see this thing showing 0 USDT because I don't have USDT. Let's say I have 2,000 USDT. Immediately I'm done swapping, I will not see 1,000, 2,000 again. I will start seeing 1,000 USDT. Let's say I have 2,000 USDT. It will remove the 1,000, convert it to Ethereum. It will remain 1,000 here. All right. So that is it. But then if you want to swap on Uniswap, maybe you want to use the Ethereum mainnet decentralized application, and you connect to it like this, you will need Ethereum to as gas fee, network fee. Because you want to consult this swap, they will try to charge network fee, and that network fee will be charged in form of Ethereum. Ethereum mainnet. Ethereum mainnet means the core Ethereum is not Ethereum sitting on any other blockchain. Ethereum. So that is it. Now let's just say you want to buy something on Base. On Base network too, Uniswap too can do it. So most Base network places people buy on Base network is Uniswap and Aerodome. This website, Aerodome. See it, Aerodome. If you want Aerodome.finance. But for the one of this Uniswap, it is called app.uniswap.org. You can see it, app.uniswap.org. So in app.uniswap.org, let's say I want to buy anything here too. Let's say I want to buy a coin here too, for example. It is the contact address you will paste. Okay, it is the contract address you will paste. Now if I come back to this place, I think Creo is also on Ethereum. You can see that now you cannot use Binance Smart Chain wallet address and go and buy something on Uniswap. You can see that on Uniswap now when I paste this contact address here, it did not show anything. It said no result found for this contact address. Why? Because this contact address belongs to Binance Smart Chain, the Creo of Binance Smart Chain. You see, so if I want to buy it, you can see now that this Creo too is on Binance, is on Ethereum blockchain too. So what should I do? I will just copy the contact address, click on this three dots, copy the contact address of the one of Ethereum. The one of Ethereum, I will copy the contact address and come back to this Uniswap. If I search it now, it should show up. See, if I search it now, can you see that I show you now? Creo. Why? Because it recognizes that, oh, this coin is on this blockchain. You see it now. They have different contact address. So you cannot go and carry Binance Magic contact address and say you want to go and use to buy something on Uniswap, on Ethereum. No, it's not possible. Because now Creo 2 is also on Ethereum. So, but you have to copy the Ethereum contact address of it and paste it here. Then you click on it. You see it now. It now tell you to continue. All these use here continue because you're using contact. See now it's not showing Creo. Now Creo cannot be up, it should be bottom because you want to use Ethereum to buy Creo. Well, let's say in the future you bought Creo and your Creo is now, let's say you bought 10,000 units of Creo. The Creo is now worth $1 each. You've now made 10,000. You don't want to convert it. You don't need to move the Creo to centralized exchange to go and sell it. You can still sell it here on this your decentralized exchange. The same place you bought it, you sell it there. Since you bought it on Uniswap, you just come to Uniswap. This time around, Creo will be at the top. Now the coin you want to convert it will be at the bottom, and it's not necessarily it has to be Ethereum. Me, it's USDT should convert. I will just click on. You can see here now. So let's say I want to sell my 10,000 Creo, but if you now calculate the price, current price, I can see 10,000 Creo for now is just $10. So I think Creo is still cheap for anyone that have done, but $10 is about 13,000 naira, and you get 10,000, which is quite cheaper, right? So that is how it is. We just sell it. Let's say in the future, you just sell it off because you just click on this swap. But then because we don't have any balance here, that is why the wallet I'm using to do this thing, there's no balance in it. Okay, it's the one I created when I was setting up the wallet. You can see. So that is how to buy on the Ethereum network. Mainnet. Now let's say you want to now buy on Base. For example, now I want to buy Keta. You can see that Keta is on Base, right? Now let's say we now come to CoinGecko, we search for Keta. See, we search for Keta now. We want to buy on Base network because I told that the major blockchain that we usually deal with is Base network, Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum mainnet, and Solana. That's the major. Then there are some other blockchain too. All you just have to need to use them is the same process that I just showed you. The same process. All you just have to is this is Keta now. First thing is what is the contact address? You copy it. Which blockchain is it on? Is Base. You can see this is the logo of Base blue. To know where to buy it, click on market. If you come to market, you see they will tell you exchange to buy it. You can see that this now. What I see here, they say Aerodome Base. What is here? Uniswap. You can see this Uniswap too. Now you can buy most Base projects are always listed on Uniswap and Aerodome. You see this Aerodome. You see it. Aerodrome. That is the centralized exchange for Base projects and Uniswap. Uniswap is on Base project. So now this Uniswap now you can see different type of Uniswap, version 4, version 3, version 4. It all depends on the one you want to trade it, but it's always better to check their volume. See 24 hours volume for Aerodrome. You see it, this Aerodrome Base. Always ensure that it's as Base. You see Base network, you see it. So 24 hours volume, $255,600, $657, which is quite good. You can see the one of Uniswap Base version 4 has $12,000 volume. The one of Uniswap Base version 3 here has just 9,000 volume. Uniswap Base 4, 6,000 volume. So that means the major decentralized exchange this coin is trading here is on what? Aerodrome, which is what? Has volume of 255,657. So that is it. So now let's say you want to buy on Aerodrome. Instead of coming to, you can go to Aerodrome straight away. You see this Aerodrome of finance. You can try to come to Aerodrome like this. Aerodrome of finance. You can say I'll drop all the links. You see it here. It's always the same thing. The same interface. You see it sell, buy. You see, once you come here, the next thing they will tell you, see connect wallet. See this stage, connect wallet. Don't always go to Google. Type the website on your this thing. I will do this video. I will show you how to draw this on mobile now. So you just click on connect because this video is getting long. Just click on this connect. Immediately you click on this connect, they will ask you which wallet do you want to connect. You see, you will need. They say you will need Ethereum wallet to continue. So they are asking you which kind of wallet do you want. Blah blah blah. You see it. Even despite the fact that we are on laptop. So what you should just do, because now this one they say browser wallet. Just click on browser wallet. So your browser wallet means your trust wallet, your MetaMask, because we are currently on our what browser. So anytime you click it next, if it did not show up, the reason is this: if you show this blank page, if you scroll up, you see it's showing Phantom wallet. Why? Because we have two wallet address installed. Two wallet is detecting two wallet address, which is Phantom and MetaMask. So it's not trying to get the one to use. So in such a way, it will not show anything. If it did not show anything, cancel the pop up. Okay, cancel the pop up and reload again. Okay, cancel the pop up and reload again. Okay, I will click on it again until it's able to detect the one of Meta. You see, it will now detect and say which one do you want to use. I will say use MetaMask because Base is EVM now. It's EVM compatible. So MetaMask will tell you to connect again. See this thing now, connect. You just connect. That's how we connect to Web3. I say this connect you are doing is just like you logging into your Facebook to this. And so when Web3 is connect, you used to do. So anytime you see connect, it means login. Okay, so you not make sure that you have read these things. It's not a signing. Click on signing. No wala. So the sign is still telling you now. It's still telling you to approve this thing. So you say approve. You tell you to approve. So click on see Aerodrome of finance. But see now the network is selecting for me. It's selecting for me Binance matching. But then we can change it later. Just continue. Now that we've now logged in now, right? We've now logged in. Now we've now logged in here. So now we're now in Aerodrome now. Let's say I want to buy Keta now. Remember that I've copied this Keta contact address, oh, right? I've copied Keta contact address, oh, see. I've copied Keta contact address, oh. Now, if I come back to this Aerodrome, what do I want to buy Keta? That means buy. You see, buy, sell. That means what do you want to sell to buy this? Let's say you have Ethereum. Definitely, if you want to buy Keta on Base Network, you need Ethereum. But the Ethereum has to be on Base Network. You buy Ethereum that is on Base from MEXC or Bybit. Then you now withdraw that Ethereum. You buy Ethereum normally on MEXC, just normal Ethereum. Once you buy it on Bybit or MEXC, you now withdraw it. But they will not ask you for network. You will now tell them that if they ask you for network, you will now say Ethereum. Okay? They will ask you for network. You will now say Base. The Ethereum will not be withdrawn as base. So once you come here, you start seeing your balance to show. All right, let's say each coin you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy Keta. Just paste this thing here. You see, Keta will show. You see, Keta. They even have check mark. You see, just click on it. You see, Keta is not showing. They will not say how much Keta. Let's say I want to buy one Ethereum worth of Keta, which is 1,815. One Ethereum is 1,815. It will not show me the kind of amount of Keta we get. I will get 7,530 Keta. You see, that means $1,815 is equals to 7,530 Keta. So if it is $1, if Kita goes to $1, 1,008 has become 7,530 or more. The rich will continue getting richer. All right, you see it immediately. You just see swap. But now you see they say not enough Ethereum. You see it, not enough Ethereum because I don't have Ethereum. You have to have Ethereum and it's base network Ethereum. So assuming I have Ethereum, I just click on swap. That is all. You can see that all of them are the same thing. Now anything you do inside here, the coin automatically is in your wallet. They are only aligned. They are only serving as a user interface for us to be able to what, buy coin. It's not like our money is on their website. No, your money is in your wallet. That's why this your wallet is here. So anytime I'm done here, always click on this thing like this and click on disconnect. See, disconnect to disconnect your wallet from it and start seeing connect. So now you will see now that you see that is how we use all this swap. But then instead of all of this, that you start going to their website by yourself, you don't need it. Once you go to CoinGecko, you search for the coin, come to market, you see it in market. Let's say I want to buy this thing, I come to market and I already see that this thing is on DEX. See this logo here, this is DEX. I look at the volume of those DEX and I see that because you will see some different type of DEX. But when you look at the volume, you will see the one that is currently trading most. When I look at the volume of all these DEXs that is here, I realize that it is one of this Aerodrome base that is smudged. So that this is the major place is trading on decentralized exchange. Instead of you just type it, don't need. Look at this place. They say Pierre. You see, this is the link. Just click on it. It will take you to the website directly with the coin contract address already there. Oh, what is this? Sorry. Once you see this thing here, once you see this thing here, don't click on this live chat. Oh, don't click on this live chat. Once you see this thing here, this Aerodrome, the peer, click on the peer link, and that's what you should click. You see it. Immediately I click on the peer link. It will take me to the website. It will take me to the website and preload the coin itself. You see, it has already preload the coin itself for me. So what you just have to do is just click on this switch so that the coin will come up and the Ethereum will come up. So this Ethereum is wrapped Ethereum. We don't want to buy with wrapped Ethereum because we not wrap our Ethereum. So you have to click on this. Let's say you have Ethereum, you now select Ethereum yourself. Select normal Ethereum, search for ETH. You see it, ETH. This is Ethereum, ETH. You already start seeing your balance. If you have balance there, you buy. So that's how to do it. Okay, so you don't need to start stressing yourself. Now, I told you that base two, but when I bought my own kita firstly, I bought my own kita on Uniswap. I did not even buy it on Ethereum. I did not even buy it on Ethereum. Let's say I want to buy my Ethereum on Uniswap. I'll just come to Uniswap here. You see that I'm on Uniswap here. What I'll just click on this place where I have Crew. I'll just paste my contract address of my kita. All right. Now it's saying no kita. Why? The reason is because this Uniswap I'm connected to, all right, is connected to what? To Ethereum blockchain. All right. Ethereum blockchain. You can see I'm connected to Ethereum blockchain. So what I will do in this case, all right, what I will do in this case is that I will go back to my MetaMask here. Let's say I want to connect to Uniswap. I will go back to my website here. You can see that to know the blockchain you are connected to, I will go back to my website here. I will go back to my MetaMask here. If you click on this, it's showing me Uniswap. Can you see Uniswap? It's telling me that Uniswap. See, it's telling me that Uniswap. You see, I'm connected to what? To BNB chain. It's telling me that I'm connected to BNB chain Uniswap. You see what it's telling me? I will now click on manage permission. You see, I will see manage permission. I will click on disconnect. I don't want to. Yeah, I'll click on disconnect. I don't want to connect to Binance Smart Chain. So what I will do in this place where they say all popular network, I will click on it. You will now select base. See, select base. You see, now that I've selected base now, all right, I will now click on connect again now. All right, they will tell me to. I will now choose MetaMask. Okay, it will now tell me to connect. I will now click on connect. All right. Now this time around, I've now connected to base. All right. You see, still connecting to base. You see, I'm still connected to base. I'll click on this place, skip. Okay, still connected. How will you know that you're connected to base on your MetaMask? The way we know is if you click on your MetaMask, you see this place here. You see Uniswap logo. What did you see here? Base. That's how to connect to base. So with Uniswap, Uniswap works for different blockchain. The same thing is applicable to PancakeSwap. But don't worry, if you are doing this thing on, if you are doing this thing on your if you are doing this thing on your Trust Wallet, it's simple. It's not complicated like this. For some people that might say this thing is complicated, it's not complicated. Just practice it. It's simple. All right, it's just your MetaMask. Okay. As you watch the video, anything I do, do it on your PC. Just to practice. Anything I do, do it on your PC. Right, so that you will understand. All those websites I've visited, visit them. So this is just it. You can see now that this one are connected to base. You see, if I cancel this thing here, let's say I want to access it, just come here to this Uniswap here, this MetaMask icon. You see this icon here. If you click on it, you start seeing that I'm connected to base. See, it's showing me the network I'm connected to base. If I click on this manage permission, I'll be able to disconnect my wallet here. All right. But then if I cancel from here, I'm connected. Now that I'm connected to base, it should still be showing my wallet address. See it here. Now, if I now click on this crew here now, if I now paste this contact address here now, oh sorry, let me go and copy Kita. Where's that Kita save? Okay, let me come back. Okay, it's not seeing it. Let me, oh shit, let me reload. Let me reload it. So let me reload it. So if I now come back, I will just search the coin and it should show. Okay, it's not seeing it. Probably maybe this is okay. We have different Uniswap version. Okay, so in that case, in case it's not showing, what you should do sometimes is just come to Kita, just come to. But the day I bought it, it was not acting up like this. Maybe because this is Uniswap website, anyways. But if I go to Trust Wallet, it will buy it. But if you're having issues like this, sometimes what you should do is just come to market. Right? It's even good to have the issue. Come to base Uniswap. Look at where it's trading. You can see we have Uniswap version 4, version 3. I think it's better for you to use version. You will check among the Uniswap. You see, we have 3 Uniswap version 4, version 3, version 4, and they are all dexes, but they all have different peer that you can use to buy them. But regardless of the different peer you use to buy them, version of anyone that have ETH, because whenever it comes to base network, it is ETH you want to use. So don't use WETH to buy. But you can see this one is version 4. Let's say you want to buy, all you just have to do is click on this Keta / ETH. Since this is Uniswap, just click on it, or anyone among them. You can click anyone among them. You have any issue with them, you have no issue. Just click anyone among them. If I click on it like this, it automatically take me to that place and load it myself. You see, for it has loaded for me automatically myself. You see, it has loaded automatically for me. So instead of stressing myself when I was searching for it, I don't know why it was not searching. I don't know. Let me see. It's searching now. Maybe it was not connected properly to the to base blockchain yet, because that means Uniswap has not connected properly to base net blockchain. It was not seeing it as base network. Consider that yeah, now all my Ethereum is now showing base. So sometimes if you're having issues like that, what you should just do, because I don't know why. Normally before in this, I think the reason why it's not showing is because in this Uniswap this place here, I've not selected base. I'm supposed to select base, but that place I'm supposed to select base here, this thing has covered it. This UK, this thing has covered it. See, it has covered it. That is why I was not able to select, because on Uniswap I'm supposed to select the network I want to use. But when I get to mobile, I will show you guys, right? So you can see it here. So from here, you can now buy the kit I want to buy, but your kit will be at the bottom. ETH should be at the front. So if I say I want to buy one ETH, you see that it tell me that I will get 7,491. And this, you can see that the same thing I'm doing on Uniswap is the same thing I'm doing on Aerodrome. It's the same thing. See it. Ethereum up, Keta down. So it's the same thing. So for base network, you can buy on Aerodrome, you can buy on Uniswap, but to make it easier for you, just go to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, come to market, anywhere you see them trading, provided at the right desk. So That's why you should buy it. But it's two exchange you will always see: Uniswap or Aerodrome. All right. If the centralized exchange where the coin is trading is different from the two, me, I won't advise you. Okay. But if it's for base network, I want to buy on the centralized exchange, it's always Aerodrome or Uniswap. Right. And select anyone, any Uniswap, no matter for version 3, just select anyone. Or Aerodrome. Aerodrome is specifically meant for base, but Uniswap to support it. Okay. So that is just it. All right. So that is it. Now, when we now come to Solana, all right, I've already shown you guys Solana on to what we use is Jupiter.ag. Just come to Jupiter. You see the same thing, jup.ag. Once you come to jup.ag, all you just have to do is see connect. All right. You see connect. All right. You will see connect. Once you come to this connect, this section where they say connect, just click on your connect. So this one is simple. This one will ask you for if you first recommend for it or Jupiter extension. Don't mind them. Just select, just choose meta Phantom. You know that for Solana based projects we are using Phantom. Just click on Phantom. Then it will sit there and say get Jupiter, blah 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 blah, auto approve, click this, blah, blah, blah. Don't mind them. Just click on continue to Phantom. You see, it will load up. All right, it will load up your Phantom wallet. I told you at first it might not load it up because we have two extensions installed. That's why it's conflicting with each other. Cancel it and click on connect again. Select Phantom. So this time around, it will want to load it up. You can see now that it's loading it up for us, but it's just that with Phantom, and because we want to connect to it, it's asks for our password again. See, it will ask us for our password again. So you put your password. You see, it will now tell you to connect. Click on connect. Immediately we connect, we start seeing our wallet. See, our wallet has been showing here, and you see now we now tell you. So from here, it's still the same thing. Let's say you want to buy any coin you want to buy. So any coin you want to buy will be at the top. The Solana will be at the top. Which you want to use to buy? Click on it. Select Solana. Now, which coin do you want to buy? Any coin you want to buy? You can see that the other day, let's go. When I wanted to buy Vanta, it is Vanta. I just search here. For example, you come here and search for Vanta. See Vanta market. See Vanta right here, and you can see the price of Vanta 30 and 19. You can see the price of Vanta. The market cap is 196. So how do you know where it's trading? Come to the contact address. This one is trading on Solana. You can see that this is the wallet. This is the contact address. Copy it. You come back to jup.ag. I told you that the coin you want to use to buy it will always be at the top. The coin you want to buy will be at the bottom. So you click on this coin name here, this box here, paste your wallet your contact address. You see it to show up. See it show up. Let's say you want to buy one Solana, you just type one here. See, one Solana is currently $76. You see it here. You will get 384,139 Vanta. That's an example. We don't have any swaps. We just click on swap here and we'll be able to swap, right? But then I told you that if you don't want to stress yourself, this Vanta can just come to market. Now, if you come to market, it will show you where Vanta is trading. Now, you can see that this place where Vanta is trading here, they say you should buy on PumpSwap, you should buy on Ocha. Please, I don't like buying coin on Ocha, but Ocha too is a decentralized exchange anyways, so there's nothing bad. Pump.swap too is a decentralized exchange too for Solana. But I told you, just like I told you, just like I told you with BSC, that anytime you see that a coin is trading on Binance Smart Chain, all right, the first thing that should come to your mind is go and buy it on PancakeSwap or PoolCoin.app. Don't stress yourself. Once you see that the coin has a contact address which is on Binance Smart Chain, copy it, go to PancakeSwap.finance or PoolCoin.app. All right, it's as simple as that. The same thing too with Solana. If a coin is on Solana blockchain, even if you come to market and you are seeing PumpSwap, Ocha, or Radium, there's no point going there. Just go to jup.ag. This is the best Solana exchange. So, but CoinGecko does not list them. Sometimes they will not list them. But normally you cannot buy it here. jup.ag is where you should come. Connect your wallet, buy it there. You can see that the coin is showing there. And if you want to buy on PumpSwap, no problem. You can click here, click on this pair here, click on it. It will take you directly to swap.pump.form. It will take you directly to it and it will preload the coin there. You can buy the same thing too. I tell you, it's always the same interface. You see it, and it's always the same thing. They will always tell you to connect your wallet. Connect your wallet is just like saying login. See, so if I click, you can see that it has helped me to preload my Vanta. What you just want to do is we click on this switch. Solana has to be at the top. The coin you want to buy will be at the bottom. Click on connect your wallet. The thing will ask you to submit your email if you wish, or Phantom. I'll say Phantom. I don't want to log in with email. I'll just click on Phantom and you see I should connect my wallet. Immediately I click on connect. You see it has connect. You see it has connect. I'll just click on close. You can see now that it has connect. My wallet address will be showing here. You see it here. Now it will be showing as me I have balance on my Solana. It will show here. Let's say I want to buy one. I'll just put one. Guys, that is the same price. 383,735. 384,000 here. Safe. This one is still better than even Pump Swap. See this one 384, 383. What do you see? I see here. You just click on swap. See, you just click on swap. This one is showing swap, but you not go because I don't have Solana. Because if this thing go for last one, I don't make come with that, but I doubt if it will go. See, it will tell me that now. See, only confirm if you confirm this. It's only confirm if you trust this website. You see, only confirm if you trust this website. So you can see, so it will fail because I don't have Solana. So let me just click confirm anyways. Let me see, but I know that it will fail There's no, see, it will fail because I don't have any this. You cannot trick Web3 now. It will fail. So you see, so if I want to disconnect, always disconnect your wallet. If I want to disconnect, you see this place, my wallet is, always click on it, then click on disconnect wallet. So that is it. So that's how to buy on what? Or that's how to use the centralized application. So it's very simple. So it's that you know their website, write it somewhere, or if you don't want to write it somewhere, but make sure you know the one of Solana offered jup.ag. All right, jup.ag. But the rest, there's no point. You can just always come to the market section. If they show you where they are trading, you can just connect your wallet and buy. All right. But like I said, if it is Solana for me, I'm buying on jup.ag, regardless of any exchange they put here. And if it is on Base Network, I'm buying on either Eldom or Uniswap.app.uniswap.org or Eldom. If it is on Binance Smart Chain, then definitely I'm buying on PancakeSwap or PoolCoin.app. And if it is on normal Ethereum mainnet, I'm buying on Uniswap. But I don't buy coin on Ethereum blockchain because Ethereum gas is too high. You cannot, if you want to buy Ethereum based project on Uniswap, you will spend more as gas fuel. I'm not saying if you want to buy base project, no, base project is cheaper. Forget the Ethereum on base is cheaper. But if it is called base, called Ethereum network, it's expensive. So anytime I say a coin that is the coin is good, but I say that is an Ethereum based project, for me to buy it, the coin must be trading on a centralized exchange like maybe MEX, KuCoin, Bybit, Binance, and that's when I will buy it. I prefer to go and buy on centralized exchange. I won't buy on decentralized because it is expensive on Ethereum network on Uniswap. But if it is on Base, if it is on Solana, if it is on Binance Smart Chain, they are very, very cheap. All right. So that is it. So before I now move to, I think I've explained everything. But before I now quickly go and show you how to, on mobile phone, I will not waste time. I just want to show you guys, walk you around how to use it to on Trust Wallet. It's simple. Okay. And I'm sure you know how to use it on Phantom because it's the same thing. I will show you Phantom as well, but I will be fast about that. But then before I end up, now, still talking about Web3, I thought that Web3, everything on the Web2 is going to Web3. Now, no, we have email services, right? We have email like Gmail and Co. We have Web3 email as well. And this is it, see Web3 email, ethermail.io. You can go there and explore. Don't just watch this video, practice. Ethermail say, welcome to the future of email. 320 billion emails are sent every day. You can't kill me. That's why we brought it over to Web3. Dive into an email experience that values your privacy and turn your attention into an asset. Sign up now. You can see it now. Look at how it looks like. Now, unlike your normal traditional email that you will start seeing all these things here, see, unlike that, you start seeing contact at make blah 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 blah. With all this me now, look at what they are using to send email. See, your wallet address at. You see how easy it is. So that means I can send email to you. You know, anything, they won't even know the name, but you know, except to know my wallet address, that you know that now simple you get this email. You see the future of Web3 now. Are you not happy? Are you not happy with the future of Web3? Just look at it. Look at how in the future now we'll be able to. You can see in the future now you can send email and even you can see this thing now. Pay email with this. You see this ethermail.io. They have a nice project, email project, and email from the email you can even send money to somebody through email. Because why? They have token. Their token is called EMT, and that's what I was telling people that was in our Telegram group that a coin I want us to buy. Because in the future, these are projects that they are good projects. Why? We know that every email will be on that in the Web3. You know, this Gmail and Co. Gmail was not popular before. It was Yahoo Mail, Hotmail that was popular before in the future. Before Gmail now came and Gmail took over, right? Now, the same thing is going to happen with Web3. Okay? So in the future now, we already have Web3 email, which is here. And now their project is very, very cheap. And you enter a project when it's not really known, people do not pay attention. Because in the future now, when people start crossing, say, we need Web3 mail, we need Web3 mail, what do you think people will do? The first thing people go to, they quickly go to CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap and go and search for any project that is the first to do that thing before. People will now want to start buying it. That's why you position yourself early. The same way you position yourself for airdrop, you position yourself for projects. Because that's how I invest in this thing. People will go there and say, a time I come now, maybe Elon Musk started talking about, Elon Musk might wake up one day and start talking about the centralized email, Web3 email, that we need a Web3 email that gives identity this. Do you know what people will do next? They quickly rush to CoinGecko. They will now go and start searching or go to Google, Web3 email. What did you do? They will not give you this thing that did it. Let me show you an example. Some people go to them say Web3 email. You will see what will happen. Let me search Web3 email for you. What did this Lafayette show up? Where did this Lafayette show up? Ethermail for Web3. Did you see it? That is how you position yourself early. Now, with this Ethermail now, they have project whereby you can connect your wallet account, wallet address, and be sending email. We can send email to ourselves using our wallet address instead of our normal Gmail, blah, blah, and we receive email. Guys, how fast it is, secure, privacy, nobody like somebody is tracking us. You will know that everything you are doing, there's nothing like maybe you forget your email login. Some of you want to log into your Gmail, you've already forgotten, you don't even know, you know all those things. But with all this Ethermail, you don't need those things. You know, and those email stays in the blockchain. So even in 10, 15 years time, I can come and say, I want to log into my email. I don't need to start cracking my brain. What is my password? I just need to click connect my wallet and I'm logging to my email. And I might want to send you money. I can send you money directly to your email and you cash it out with your wallet address. You can see the demonstration here. See it here. Hey Joe, here is your paymail. You see paymail. You see, you can see the person's wallet address. They will hide they will not allow you to see the full at ethermail.io. So you can send money. You can see you see the wallet address at ethermail.to the wallet. Are you not happy? Are you not happy that you are here learning all this? Are you not happy that you are here learning all this? This is You see, you don't know about all this before. Imagine you're in the dark, not knowing about that the world is changing and new technology is taking over. If we just see that in the future, people start using it, how dare they use it? But now you can position yourself. This Ethermine and look at the coin. See, EMT, look at their coin here. Can you see their coin? The thing itself is cheap. You see, the price fell. In fact, the all-time high, it came out 2024, June 13, 2024. The price rose to about over a year ago, 2 years ago. It rose to 1 year plus ago. It rose to, see, 0.4359. Then it fell. See, it's currently at 0.000383. That's an opportunity for us. We have nothing to lose. The price has fell. See, all-time low. All-time low is February 12th, and we're in February 24. 0.383. And price currently at what? Is 0.003055. Imagine that we were able to quickly buy it at all-time low here. Do you know what we would have made? That means our money would have almost want to double times two. But we are still not late because we are buying extremely cheaper. All right, we are buying extremely cheaper. Okay, and look at total supply 1 billion. So in the future now, look at the trading volume in 24 hours, just $9,000. The market cap should be something around this thing. See, once you should know that in the future, these people might put eyes on this night, might blow off. We lose nothing. See, with this, you can put more money. See, if you put $10, you will get 18,136. 18,136. Imagine say in the future you resurrect. If you resurrect back to this price here, do you know what your 18,000 this unit will be? This unit by that time will be about $8,000 for you for a $10 investment. $8,000 what we would have made. You think it's not possible? These are the good projects. See, Ethermail is the leading email platform connecting Web 2 and Web 3, making it simple for users and brands to enter and explore the world of Web 3. Ethermails offer users encrypted peer-to-peer email communication, wallet integration, and reward for reading promotional emails. Ethermail help businesses and brands extend their reach and engagement by sharing relevant contacts. You see, there are sometimes if you see some project, yes, it might not have meaning, the thing has fallen, it looks like it's dead, but then, bro, now so there are some project will just resurrect from the dead. Oh. You have nothing to lose by dashing this thing $10. What is $10? $10 is just 13,000 naira. Shey 13,000 naira go kill you. Some of you guys here are people you have money. Shey it go kill you. Say you even dash the project $10. Shey it go kill you. It no go kill you. Even if you have $20, let's say you have $20 to dash it. See, it no go kill you now. See, 36,000. It no go kill you. Even if it's $2 you get, see, $2 will give you what 3,627. And this is the reason why I like decentralized this new. See, with decentralized exchange, you can buy coin as low as $2. But if it is centralized exchange, so centralized exchange will not allow you to buy $2 worth of coin. But you see, on decentralized exchange, you can even buy $1 worth of coin. Provided that you have the money sitting in that your wallet. And where is this coin trading? How will you know? Where is it trading? See, you just go down here, look at the contract here. What is contract is this? This is base. You should know the logo of base. You have to crown the logo of each blockchain. Logo of base is just a blue box. You see it with white background. You see base. All you have to do is copy the contract address. What that you should do, go to Aerodrome. Once you get to Aerodrome, you connect your wallet. You see Aerodrome swap, connect your wallet. Once you connect your wallet, Ethereum will be at the top. See this place, the bottom one, paste the contact address. You see that you bring EMT. See, it's bringing EMT for you. You see it, click on it. You see it already bring EMT for you. Say, do you research before blah blah? Say yes, okay. Now we want to buy Ethereum. Now for us to trade this thing, we have to buy Ethereum on base network. Let's say we buy Ethereum just 0.1 is $18. 0.05 is $9. You see it 0.05556. You see 0.056 is $10. You see it. So it will load and calculate the amount of EMT that you will get. Then you can now connect your wallet and swap, like I've told you. But if you do not want to, you see it, you will get 18,468 EMT. So, but if you do not want to stress yourself, let's say you come to this Ethermail here, this place here, where it says market here. I already told you to see where it's trading. You can see that it's trading on Aerodrome base. You can see base. You see it, Aerodrome, but always ensure that it do not trade on Aerodrome Slipstream 2. Don't. Anytime it's Aerodrome Slipstream 2, don't trade. Anyway, it must have base. You see, it's trading on Uniswap base too. Let's say you want to buy it on Uniswap too. I told you that if you don't want to start copying their contact address and be stressing yourself, just come here. You see, it's trading on Gate.io to centralized exchange, but it's trading on Uniswap. I told you when it's base. Base is always trading on Aerodrome and Uniswap. So you can just come here. Let's say you want to trade it on Uniswap. This is where only Uniswap is there. Just click on this link here, this peer, where they say peer, the link here. Just click on it, and it will open Uniswap for you automatically and preload it for you. You see it and preload it for you, right? It will preload it for you with the coin. You can see it EMT. It has preloaded for you. See it Ethereum base. Let's want to buy 0.055 or 55. You see it. If I say 0.055, it will help me to it will help me to it will help me to calculate it will help me to calculate the price. Is finalizing code. It help me to finalize the code and calculate the amount of Ethermail that I will get. But like I said, it is better to always if it is Uniswap, if it is base network based project, always buy always buy on Aerodrome. Aerodrome is meant for base network. Most time you only see them on Aerodrome, okay? So because this one that I put 0.005 $10, okay, you can see now I say I will get 18,188 EMT. You can see it. I do not have Ethereum. As me I have, I'll just click on swap. So that is it. But anytime you are done with all this centralized exchange, only see this your wallet right here. You will see your wallet connected here. Click on it. All right. You will see where they say disconnect. You must disconnect. This one, you see this icon that say off. You see it. If you put your this in there, you will see disconnect. So disconnect it. Okay. Now, if you connect again, if I click on MetaMask, you see it asks you to connect. Right. It will ask you to connect. Okay. Okay, even if you come to this permission sometimes, you will see you say use your enable network. You can click on edit. All right, you see it, you can click on edit, and you can decide to select network that you want. Okay, you can deselect all and select only base. Click on update. So that means I want to connect to base network. You see, I just click on connect. That means I'm requesting for base network only. See it. That means I'm connected to, see it, I've connected. So to be sure that, oh, I connect to base, if this one will bring Solana, I'll click on skip. You see it now. You can see, let's say I want to disconnect or I want to switch on that blockchain from this unit. So I just click on this thing like you want to turn it off like this. See this thing here that says switch. You see, when you put your icon on this switch, you see it tells to say switch wallet. You see, if you click on switch wallet, you can decide to switch wallet to any other wallet of your choice. Okay. Let's say you want to switch to Phantom and Co, but then you don't need that. But if you don't need that, but then if you want to disconnect, just click on this and click on disconnect. Okay, but since most of us will be using mobile will be very, very easier for us. And I will show you guys now how to do this on mobile. Everything I've done for you, I will be fast about it anyways. So, but now you can see how you can buy on this thing. I would have practicalized that I will buy on this Ethermail on this thing for you guys. Okay, I think I will practicalize. I will go and buy um, Ethereum on Bybit for you guys, and I will show you on mobile. But then that's right. That's how to use it. So if you go to Ethermail, see this Ethermail. If you want to use Ethermail, just simply click on access. You see this access. Okay. Now, once you click on access, this is what I'm saying. They say login to access to Ethermail. You see here now that you can log in with your Telegram, Google, Apple, Wallet Connect. Wallet Connect too. This Wallet Connect is if you want to log in with Trust Wallet. You can use Wallet Connect. They will tell you to scan your Trust Wallet. But since you're on laptop, you can just use MetaMask. You see it now. You say you want to log in with Phantom, I will say MetaMask. See, I'll click on MetaMask. You see, that's how we connect. MetaMask will load up and tell me to what to click on connect. Let's say I click on this permission. See now, this permission now is already requesting this website. That means this Ethermail, you can see because I click on this permission. You see edit. That means it supports Arbitrum, Linear, Bitcoin, Solana, Tron. It supports all of this blockchain. That's why it's marked automatically by itself. Okay. So, but let's say me, I have a specific blockchain I want to connect to. This I will uncheck them. I only mark that only blockchain I want to connect to. Okay. But I will leave it since it marked everything by itself. I will click on connect. So it will try to connect by itself. You see, it will now log you in. So you see, you will now click on sign now. You must sign. Okay, sign this message. That's like confirming. You just click on sign now. It will still request for this thing again for you. Even if you want to buy something too, the same thing we do. You can see now that means it's trying to select base. Base network is trying to select from here for me. So I'll click on sign because it seems I'm currently connected to base network. But assuming I want to change my network, I would have changed it in that place. I can try to click on this cancel, for example. Let's say I can try to click on this cancel. If you wish, you should have clicked on cancel. All right. It will not connect until I click on sign now again. You see, it will still ask me to sign again. So until I click on this sign now. But let's say I want to connect to another network. Let's say I want to connect to Binance Smart Chain. If you support Binance Smart Chain, I'll just have to go back again. I'll just have to go back. I'll click on access. I'll click on MetaMask again. All right. Then I'll click on permission. This will use your enable network. I will click on it. I'll scroll up. This place I will unselect it so that I will deselect all. Let me select Binance Smart Chain and see whether to connect. I'll click on update. So it will show me Binance Smart Chain. I'll click on connect. If it will connect, it will tell me. See, it will tell me to sign now. What did you see? You see Binance Smart Chain network. That's what it's showing me now. Because I want to use Binance Smart Chain to connect to it. Since all of them are both EVM, they are both EVM. Even if it is base, even if you see, they say welcome to Ethermail. See, log out, they say next. You see, they will say I should put my secondary email plus 80. It's not mandatory, but we strongly recommend you add secondary email to benefit from enhanced security and earn 80 EMC. In fact, they will even give you their free coin, 80 EMC. See, 80 EMC. See it, 80 EMC. 80 EMC. Now, this secondary email now, they will give you their free coin, 80 EMC. See, but I will not put my email. Let me just do something. Let me just do something for you. Since this is, I don't know whether this trick will work. Oh, see, they say secondary email and earn 80 EMC. Now, if you are watching this video, if this thing really works, I'm about to do, you can use to get free of their coin for free. But I don't know if they will not get. What I will do is I will because of the sake of it, I'll just go to Temple mail.tm. This is a free mail. This is free mail. This don't use it to see if you want to use it for your personal wallet address that you want to be using. If you want to use it for your personal wallet address, don't go and use temp mail. Temp mail is temporary mail. If it is your personal wallet, you want to use temp, you want to connect, you want to use this Ethermail for, please use your normal Gmail. If I was because this wallet address I'm setting this thing up is a tutorial wallet address. So but for you put your Gmail. So for this one, I don't know whether they will collect it, but let me click on next. They will tell you to confirm your email. I will come back here. I will reload and wait for the email to drop. But your own, your Gmail is what you will check. You see it will show. They will tell me to confirm address, right? You see, I've confirmed. You see, secondary email completed. Okay, maybe they will give me free. Please close the tab and continue. All right, you will close the tab. I will come back to this place onboarding. I will now click on next. You see, congratulations, you just earned your first 100 EMC. That means they give me free Ethermail coin. I click on next. All right, they will now tell me to download. You see, say continue without installing in 6 seconds. I don't want to install their wallet, but if you want to install, go to Android and install their app. They have an app. It will connect with your Trust Wallet or anything. So I will click on continue. Yeah, that's if you want to use the Web3 email. Oh. I want to see how their email is. You see, they will say communities, select at least 3 communities of interest to subscribe to v swap space. What is this? Ever is a group private community designed for entrepreneur investors. Okay, let me just look at forgot Starkly, leading blockchain, Coca Wallet, Global Crypto Exchange, crypto exchange aggregator. Okay, let me click on this. Let me just click three and click on continue. Just choose any three and click on continue. Now they know say onboarding continue. Welcome to the first Web3 email. See, welcome to the first Web3 email. Discover how to make the most of your this thing. Share. I'll just say go to my inbox, Gary. All right. Now let's see whether they give me free coin for free. You see, subject. I will click on this icon here. You see, weekly login. Hey, Etamilan, if you access the application at least once a week for a month, you can be rewarded with 200 EMC. See, they say they can be rewarded with 300 EMC. You can see this mailbox. I'll click on got it, got it, got it, got it. Now, we are not in our inbox. You see, this is an email, oh, but Web3 email. You can see Web3 email. You see Web3 email. So you can see that I'm here to say Esther's taking his life again. Use your push to blah blah blah. You can see my email. If I want to read email, click on it. You know, definitely you know how to use email now. Click and see. You can read your email. See it stake. You can even stake your coin self. Maybe I will do another video on how to stake. Inside the second email, I never miss out. Go to settings. I will do that later. I don't use all this. But if you want to use data, this is how it is. So you see email now. This is a Web3 email. Oh. See your Web3 email now. You see that I log in with MetaMask. You see my wallet address I use in login. It will be showing here. See my wallet address. You see my wallet address. See my wallet address is showing here. See it. They gave me space, 1 gig space. You see it. So with this, if my space is not enough again, I can use their coin to buy more space. You see it. Yeah, you see it. You see it. View alias. ANS not found. Get ANS. Update the record. I don't need it. Okay, let me go back to my inbox. See inbox. See all the inbox. You are in. See hello, private email, blah blah blah. So you see it. You see here. They say welcome bonus. You get 100 instantly when you download our app. Okay, they say they will give me 200 free EMC instantly when I download their app. Your privacy sovereignty. Welcome to the future of email. You see it. So maybe I will have to do a separate video on this. If you guys like it, to if you want me to do a separate this thing on this, I don't want this video that is long too much, but if you want me to do a separate video to cover all this and how we can test it out and see whether we can get, because if they actually give me free 200 of their coin actually, then definitely if it is true, then trust me, I can manipulate it. I will just be doing it again, be transferring the coin to another wallet, transfer. If you can do it 200 times 10, that's 2,000 coin. So if you can do it up to 18,000 coin, that is you've made free $10 for those that does not have money. If you can stress yourself, oh. But if you want me to cover up a video on that does all of it, how we can bypass and try to earn these free coins and do it multiple times, you can leave a comment under this video if you want it to. Then maybe if I see that the comments are much, I might do it. Because with that, if they give me free coin, honestly, you can see on verify, looking for previous QMC, blah blah blah. I think they gave me 10 year, all right. So I think if you want me to do a different video, okay, no wala. I feel help you do am. Right? But if you want to buy their coin, they can even you can even stake their coin itself. But I think that will be another video entirely. Okay, but you can explore their website. Okay, you can see they gave me 10 coin here. See, I have 20 coin now, 20 EMC. I have 20 EMC now. I have 20 EMC now. You see, stake EMT. So if you want me to do a different video on how to stake and everything about this EMC, you can see EMC verify 20. You see, so they gave me 20 of their coin. So and this 20 of their coin they gave to me, I can continue doing what this thing I did there for. It's just to be creating multiple wallet. Wallet does not take me in 5 minutes. I've done more, but it's just like to take me time to. It will just be guarding the coin, guarding the coin, guarding the coin, guarding the coin. We just be guarding the coin. You can see your balance here, and hopefully you can. If I study them very well, then you can withdraw it. Okay, so you can see different blockchain they support: Ethereum, Polygon, Celo, Binance, Phantom, Avalanche, Base Network. You can see it. So yeah, so you can see. So that is just it. Okay. So if you want to compose, let's say you want to compose wallet, you want to compose email, the top protocol activated, activate, connect. I don't have time to start going through all this, okay? So then you can see they will give you free coin. Later on, maybe some of these days I might do an extensive video on that. But during those times, we used to do all this kind of thing. Since they are giving free coin, you can do multiple wallet, you can do it multiple times and transfer the wallet out. But then, I don't have the toilet. But this is your wallet. You can click on wallet right here. And they will tell you to connect. Just connect your MetaMask. Then connect. Because this video is getting longer. Because some people are complaining that they cannot watch long videos. So I just have to take my time. You can see I just have to take my time. That is just I just have to take my time. Okay, so I'll just have to do a separate video so that you'll be able to see what is actually going on, because there's a way you need to transfer this coin out to withdraw this coin to your normal wallet, because this thing is on their exchange. I'm not sure it has entered your wallet yet, but if you connect your wallet, you always see your balance right there. Okay, but then there will always be a way. Okay, that time our own is to find a way to collect their coin as many times. If you download their wallet, they will give you 200 more, so you should be in 220. Imagine that you're now in 220. Imagine you're now in 220, all right? Imagine you're now in 220 and you can transfer it out to your own wallet address. Okay, there should be a way to withdraw the coin. So you will just be doing it, 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 doing it. Find what's going on. You make a lot of money. Okay, so but that is it. So if you want to buy the Ethermail, you will have to go and buy it on Aerodrome. I already show you where to buy it, so it's cheap. And you can see this Phantom I was Radeon.io too that I was telling you, the swap, which is under swap on Solana. But I told you that I don't like it. Okay, I don't like it. I use JUP.tg. You can see that because sometimes Radeon can be slow. You can see it's the same format. You connect your wallet. They ask you to select MetaMask Phantom. If you select Phantom, it's the same thing everywhere. The same thing everywhere. The same thing. If you did not connect, cancel and connect again, because we have two wallets there. That's why it's trying to dictate which one should go for. But one thing about Radium is that Radium normally they slow gone, so I don't dey use them. I just like JP.ag. So the same thing you connect, and this is reward, trade reward, creator reward, trader reward. Let me cancel it. So that is it. So this is it on this one. Okay. So you can buy the Ethermail, you can can decide to buy their projects. Might do in the future, but there's no guarantee. But putting small money is not bad, right? You know, go kill you now. That's the first this thing. If you compose me now, they will tell me to activate something. I'm not ready, Jerry. Let me try to connect first. Tell you to activate Tor to protect yourself. Do not consume any gas. So, okay, great. See now, got it. Can try to send message to where do I want to send to? Um, can just text send message. Please, are you sure you want to send this message? Yes. You cannot send emails to any Web2 email address unless you are using an Ethermail alias. You see it? They say I cannot send message because this is a, you see, they say I cannot send message to any Web2 email address. All right. But imagine now that uh this thing now, the only thing I can send wallet to is if, let's say for example, I click on this receive. Let me click on this Ethereum. Um, I copy my wallet address. Let's say this now. I copy my wallet address like this at ethermail.io now. Like this now. I'll be able, let's say I ask somebody, I'll be able to send this thing. You see, they say to start sending email, your wallet needs to at least one transaction on the Ethermail network. Until then, you can only receive and reply email. If you already have an Ethereum transaction, you can click here to request verification and we review your account. So they will not allow me to confirm because this my wallet address has not complete any transaction on the Ethereum blockchain. Okay, so assuming this wallet address has done transaction, so I'm able to start sending email. So for you to send email on this Ethermail, that means you can only send to another recipient that is using this Ethermail, just as if you know that is using this Ethermail. Since this is the Web3 email, right? Except maybe someone else that is using another Web3 email, we can only send to ourselves. But then that is it. I'm not saying you should go and use this thing to send. I'm just telling you what it offers. Their coin maybe in the future might do well. Who knows? But then it's not enough for you to buy the coin, but it's cheap. You can throw in small money that you can afford to lose. Okay. So that is all for this. Now let me now quickly show you how to buy the coin on mobile and how to use all this centralized app on mobile. I will be fast about that. Okay. So let's go to mobile. Here we're on mobile. If you want to do it on mobile, if you want to use any decentralized application on mobile, all you have to do is you have to use a mobile phone. You have to use Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Okay, but first is Trust Wallet. If Trust Wallet start giving you an issue, that's want to move to MetaMask. And it's very, very simple. Now, let's say if I say buy this coin is on, or I give you a coin, you look it up on Coin Market, on CoinGecko or Coin Market Cap, and you discover that the coin have a contract on be it Binance Smart Chain, Solana, or anything. If it has on Binance Smart Chain, the first thing that should come to your mind is buying on PoolCoin.app or PancakeSwap. Right? And how do you do that? Just simply, where is it trading? You should understand the coin you need to buy them. If it is on Binance Smart Chain that is trading, if it is on Binance Smart Chain that it is trading, which is you will need BNB. You will need BNB. It's not necessary to use BNB to buy. You can use USDT to buy it on decentralized exchange, which is on PancakeSwap. But however, you have to have a Binance Smart Chain here. See, if you look at here, you will see that I have small BNB here. See, Binance Smart Chain. See, even though it's $0.28, it is small. But see, as it's small like this, that means if I want to buy coin on Binance Smart Chain, for example, I can send USDT to this wallet and I'll be able to use the USDT to buy because they will charge me the transaction fee in BNB, and the transaction fee is usually low. The transaction fee might be 0.05, and since I have 0.28 here, it can still cover up for my transaction fee, right? So that is how it is. But for you now that your wallet is fresh, you don't have any coin there before. If you want to buy a coin on Binance Smart Chain, for example, let's say I want to buy Creo. What I will just do is I will just go to CoinGecko. Let's say buy Creo. Just go to CoinGecko. All you just have to do, you go to CoinGecko, you search. I don't want to waste time with this. Search for Creo. Click on this. Oh, this is Creo. You just go straight down and say, where is this trading? See, contact address is trading on 3 blockchains: Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Solana. You click on this. I say Binance Smart Chain is what I want to use. Since I want to use Binance Smart Chain, I'll copy it, go to my Trust Wallet. Now I can just go and buy USDT on Bybit and withdraw it. But if I want to withdraw it, they will tell me which network. I will choose Binance Smart Chain. But me, I can do it because I already have BNB here to cover up for my gas fee. But you must not use USDT. If your wallet is still fresh, you don't have BNB, all right? You don't have BNB, then don't try it. What you should buy is BNB, because if you go and buy USDT and you withdraw it here, you won't be able to use to buy the Creo. Why? Because by the time you want to buy, they will still tell you that you don't have any money there. Like, they will still be telling you that insufficient transaction fee. Why? But you will not be wondering, but I have USDT there. They will be telling you insufficient because you have USDT, but you do not have their own coin, the Binance Smart Chain BNB coin to cover off. You do not have the gas fee, the price to the money to cover up for the gas fee. So I will explore every one of you that's into this Web3 that you know that you want to be buying on the centralized exchange. This is what I would advise you do. Try to have Binance Smart Chain, even if it is $2 BNB. Let it stay in your Trust Wallet. Try to have $2. It's not a so it can even be $1. You can try to have $2 BNB sitting in this your Trust Wallet. Binance Smart Chain. Try to have Ethereum $2, which is base network, sitting in this your Trust Wallet. The same wallet address you will copy from here. That's what you use to withdraw the BNB. Is what you use to withdraw the base. When you want to withdraw your Ethereum, it will be on business network. That's have like $2 or even $1 that will be sitting there. $1. Then on your Phantom wallet, you can try to have maybe like $2 or $1 Solana 2 there. You see it now. Those 3 blockchains are very, very important. Base, Solana, and Binance Smart Chain will be needing the 3 a lot. So this way, when you have it there, you have Binance Smart Chain maybe like $2 or $1 that you'll be using it as gas fee transaction on your base network. You will have $2 Ethereum that you'll be using as gas fee. On your Solana, you have maybe like $2 Solana that you'll be using as gas fee. So anytime you want to buy any coin, you can go to exchanges like Bybit or MEXC and always buy USDT only. Just withdraw the USDT to your what? To your Trust Wallet or your Solana. But if it is Solana you want to withdraw the USDT, you must select SPA, that is Solana blockchain. You withdraw it there, so you cannot use USDT to swap on the exchange. So whenever you want to swap, it will go because you already have small Solana to cover up for the gas fee. Hope you understand what I'm saying. So like for example, me I already have small BNB, and this small BNB can cover up for my gas fee if I deposit $1 here, but I won't do it because I've done before in the previous video whereby I deposit BNB on that one. So you see it. So now you see it now. Okay. So now let's say I want to now buy the Creo. What I will do is we see where they put discover right here. See this down here, discover down here, where they put discover down here. You see discover down here. You click on discover. So this place here where they say search or enter, you can see what they say search or enter DApp URL. You see DApp, decentralized application URL. So what should you do? You will type PancakeSwap. Now you don't need to even type that PancakeSwap. If you scroll down here, you see where they put DEX. See the DEX. Can you see DEX? You see PancakeSwap is already there for you. Decentralized exchanges, PancakeSwap, Uniswap, Radium. If you click on more, you start seeing other. You see Aerodrome, PalmSwap, Sun. This is the swap exchange for Throne. I do not cover that one because we don't really buy anything. We don't. But it's the same process. If you want to buy on Throne blockchain, just okay. You see, QuickSwap. This one is for Polygon Matic. QuickSwap is for Polygon Matic. Okay. This Camelot you see here, it's for Arbitrum. If you want to buy on the Arbitrum blockchain. So, but from what I've told you, it's the same process. All right, it's the same process. So let's say I want to buy Creo on PancakeSwap. Just click on PancakeSwap, tap it. Instead of typing it, you see PancakeSwap.finance. It will load up. That is the decentralized application. We have to go through Trust Wallet or through MetaMask browser. You see now that we see connect up here. Now before you connect, you have to ask yourself which blockchain is this centralized. You see, you have to, since it's matching, no problem. I can click on it because you see this place now, matching is already there. See matching logo up here. But if I click on it, you see Ethereum. Let's say the coin I want to buy is on Ethereum blockchain, and I can buy and and you want to buy, you can check whether it's possible on PancakeSwap too, right? If it's on Ethereum blockchain as well, you can see that Creo too is on Ethereum blockchain. I think it's on Ethereum blockchain too, right? Let me see. I think it's on Ethereum blockchain too. Okay, it's on Ethereum too, and it's on Binance Smart Chain. Now, if I choose this Ethereum here, if I click on connect, I'll be connected to. They will tell me to select. You can see there too. They say I should select what. Now, this time around, you must not select MetaMask because we are inside Trust Wallet. You see it here. We now select Trust Wallet. They will say you should select EVM or Solana. Select EVM. See connect. That one of EVM. You see, if you now load up and see, it will tell you to connect to Ethereum. You see it now. It's telling me to connect. I will now connect to this Ethereum. You see, it's now. You see now that I'm not connected. This check mark is there. You cannot tap anywhere here. You can see that to show that you have connected. You can see now that to show your wallet address here, where they say from. You can see that my wallet address is showing, but it's showing 0 because I don't have any Ethereum here. Okay, you see, that is to tell me that I'm connected. Since that I'm connected now, I'll start seeing enter amount down here. Now that I'm connected now, let's say I want to buy Creo. Remember now that Creo is on Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, and Solana. But me, I go and choose Ethereum. That means I'm telling them that I want to buy coin that is on Ethereum blockchain. So for me to buy Creo, what will I come? This one down here, this two that says cake is where I will click. You can see here that if you look at it, you see that everything attached to them, below them, they are putting Ethereum. You see this ETH Ethereum. That's to tell you that that is the blockchain you are currently on. That you are currently connected to Ethereum blockchain. So this cake now that I want to buy, it will be on the Ethereum blockchain. You see it. So if I click on it, if I paste Creo contact address, if it is on it, it will load up. You see that it is not load up for me. If it was there, it would have loaded up. You see, no result found. You see, it's no result found. You see, it is not loading up. Do you know why it's not loading up? It is not loading up for me because the contact address I copied was one of Binance Smart Chain. So I cannot go and copy Binance Smart Chain wallet contact address and say I want to use it for Ethereum. But you see, I cannot go and copy Binance Smart Chain contact address of the Creo and I want to go and buy it on. I'm going to use it to buy the Creo of Ethereum. It's not possible. I have to come back here and copy the contact address of the Ethereum Creo. By the time I copy it, I will come back to my Trust Wallet here in this interface here. This I will not paste it there. All right. It's supposed to bring it out for me now. But if it did not bring out for me, you see, it's not bringing out for me. You see, the reason why it's not bringing out for me because Creo is not listed on PancakeSwap decentralized exchange. I mean, the Ethereum version of Creo, is not listed on PancakeSwap. The major hub for Ethereum-based project is Uniswap. Anytime you want to buy a coin anytime you see a coin that has the contact address of Ethereum, the exchange that should come to your mind is Uniswap, not PancakeSwap. Even though PancakeSwap allows us to connect to Ethereum and see, but some coins are not listed there. You can only buy a coin that just the same we have coins on decentralized on Bybit and Co. Where you know that some Creo now we could buy it on MX, but it's not on Bybit. You know why it's not on Bybit? It's not on Bybit because it is not listed on Bybit. The same thing with decentralized exchange. Any coin that is on Binance Smart Chain is always listed on PancakeSwap. Any coin that is listed, any coin that is on Binance Smart Chain is all the first place you should go and look for that is always listed on the first decentralized exchange you consider that you will always find it there is PancakeSwap. Any coin that is on Ethereum, or even if you see two coins that has 3 blockchains, just like Creo has 3, all right, any contact address you are copying, if the contact address is the one of Binance Smart Chain, then PancakeSwap is where you should come, or Pocoin.app. If the contact address you copy is the one of Ethereum, where you should go to is not PancakeSwap, you should go to Uniswap. If the contact address is Base Network, where you should go to is still Uniswap or Aerodrome. If the contact address is Solana, where you should go to is JUP.ag. Rewatch again and understand. Now, you can see now that it's not showing me now. Why? Because this is not where I should have come. All right? So which one can I buy here? Binance Smart Chain is PancakeSwap that owns Binance Smart Chain is what we work for us here. So what should I do then? I will have to come back and disconnect. How do I disconnect? I will go back and click up here. You see this big sheet here. I don't know why this is not allowing me to denote. I know. See this big sheet here. This is where you come to see this place here. That's where we'll go and disconnect it. We want to come to this place and change to Binance Smart Chain, okay? So that's where we want to come to. We'll go and change to Binance. We click on it. See it. We now select Binance Smart Chain. Now that I select Binance Smart Chain, see now I've connected. If you see all this cake, now what are you seeing under it? BNB chain. It's telling you that this cake is under BNB chain. So now if I now click on this cake here, if I tap it, if I pay the contact address of the Binance Smart Chain, can you see that Creo has come up? You see it's why? Because Creo, this trust PancakeSwap is majorly initially created for PancakeSwap is by default created for every coin that is on Binance Smart Chain. So if you want to buy coin on Ethereum, except the creator of those coins also listed the Ethereum version on PancakeSwap. If they did not list it, you cannot buy it there. When we talk about PancakeSwap, when we talk about Binance Smart Chain, anytime you see a coin have a contract of Binance Smart Chain, the decentralized chain that should come to your mind is PancakeSwap.finance. That is what they do it for. If the coin is on, if the contract address of the coin is Ethereum, the decentralized exchange that should come to your mind is Uniswap, app.uniswap.org. If it is base network contract address, it's still Uniswap, app.uniswap or Aerodrome. But if it is now Solana, the decentralized exchange that should come to your mind is jup.ag. So that is why the guy that went to go and copy Keta all that address is now go to jup.ag. They are just doing rubbish. I've told you now. You should know this thing often. It's simple. That's why practice it as I'm doing it. It's not easy to buy. Did you see me buy when I was doing this tutorial with you? No. You see this one going to Creo now. I cannot copy Creo. So now let's not say I have BNB here. Or for me, because I have BNB, I have small BNB. You can see my BNB balance is showing here. From, you see 0.000484 is too small. But let's say I have USDT. I'll just tap here. I'll just click on my USDT. See, let's say I have USDT. My USDT balance will just show here. Okay, I'll just tap it. How much I want to buy? Let's say I want to buy $10. Let's say I have USDT. It will help you to calculate the $10 you see here. To help you to calculate it that okay, I will get 9,350. You see that the price is going up again. Before when I was in it on PC, how much did you see there? I was able to get 10,000, but now it has reduced again to 9,358. You can see it. So with $10, you can see it. But I will now scroll down. I will see confirm here. But because this thing is showing, because this thing is, I don't have any balance. Show me insufficient balance. Now, if I have USDT, I will be able to buy. And the reason why I will be able to buy here is because I have the reason why I'll be able to buy is because I have this thing. But now let me so that you just understand. Let me quickly move $10 there so that just to test so that you guys can learn. All right, so you can see here now that I've moved $10 in. You can see USDT. Now the reason why I moved $10 in, and I also transfer $1 worth of BNB again too from my other wallet. You can see here that I have $1.28 worth of BNB. Now this is why I move USDT because I have BNB to cover up as gas fee. But if you don't get BNB here, don't go and try to move USDT. You can see my USDT now has the logo of Binance Smart Chain. See it. So now if you go and move USDT, you don't have BNB, you won't be able to do anything because by the time you want to do something, they will say you should pay gas fee in BNB. So what will you do? You have to go and find that money to go and buy BNB and deposit because you won't be able to transfer this USDT out. Because if you want to still transfer the USDT out, you will still need BNB as gas fee as network fee to send it out. To buy, you will need BNB as network fee, but it's usually small, 0.5 cents, 0.05, which is not more than maybe like 10 naira or 20 naira. But then that's why. But if you send you BNB with this BNB now, you can use it to swap on the PancakeSwap to buy to swap some to your USDT. So you get that we usually do it first time instead of depositing USDT. If you don't have BNB. Deposit BNB, go to PancakeSwap, convert the BNB on PancakeSwap to USDT. If you, let's say you deposit $15 worth of BNB, go to PancakeSwap, select BNB at the top, USDT at the bottom, then put in $13 worth of BNB, convert it to USDT, then leave the remaining $2 in BNB so that will be converting, that will be serving as your gas fee. So from here now, I'll go back to my Discover. You see, I'll go back to my PancakeSwap. Okay, I'll go back to my PancakeSwap. Consider I'm currently back in my PancakeSwap like this. So now that I'm in my PancakeSwap, now let's say I want to buy my Creo, I will go back to my Creo here. I'll copy the contact address of the Binance Smart Chain here. See the one of Binance Smart Chain. I will come back here. If I come back here, I will see ensure that this thing is set to BNB chain. Select it. See it. We have to be selecting it that we want to trade on BNB chain. You click on connect. You will select Trust Wallet. Then connect to EVM. It will mark. Tap anywhere here. You see I'm connected. Now you can see that I show you cake. So where do I want to use to buy? I want to use my USDT. I will tap it. I will now select USDT here. You see that my USDT balance will start showing. What's wrong with you? Show now. Okay, so this down here, I will select Creo. I will paste the contact address of the down, and I will select this Creo. Okay, so my USDT, okay, sorry, my USDT is showing. Look at it here. God. Look at it. This is what it's showing. So it's telling me that I have USDT. See, you see 11. I have 11 USDT there. So you see that is where it will show. Okay, so my USDT is showing there. You can see my USDT is showing 11. You see 11. That's where it will show. It's not this box. This box is where we will put the amount of this we want to buy. But you can see because I currently select USDT to show 11 there. I have 11 USDT. You can see that my Creo here is showing 0 at the post at the right hand side. So now let's say I want to buy $10 worth of Creo. I'll just put 10 here USDT. Now, this is why I can use USDT because I have BNB to cover up my gas fee. But for you, let's say you it's only BNB you have, you want to convert it, you have to convert the BNB to USDT by ensuring that this top here, you will select BNB, this bottom here, you will select USDT. That's how you will do it. Let's say you have $15 worth of BNB, you have to look for what $15 you try it. Let's say $15, you just put 0.005 and see the amount of what it will be. Let's say 0.005 is $13 worth of BNB. That's what we put there. If you're able to convert it to USDT, okay, then you can now click on swap and leave the remaining one. Right? So, but see, I don't have BNB, it's USDT I have, so I'll just select USDT. Right? This down here, I want to buy Crew, right? I'll paste it, Crew, I'll select it. See from here, it will tell me how much Crew I want to buy, 10 USDT because I have 11 USDT there. See, I have 11 USDT. Okay, you see it, I will get 9,355. And just so what you see that swap have come out. This is swap. So you now click on swap. You now click on confirm swap. Alright. See, it will now pop up like this. You will wait. You see, it will now tell you to sign. Once you sign this thing, transaction will be completed on your issue. This thing is you giving them permission to proceed with the transaction. Just click on sign. Then see, you will wait. It will start loading again. Might load again. And ask you to still sign again. If it's taking too long, you can cancel and redo it again. See, okay, it will now load up and tell you to approve. Because you first sign, then you now finally approve. Okay, then I'll click on approve. Then you use the click, you put your, listen, see, it will now say transaction. See, it's fast. You see, transaction completed. See, transaction received. It will now tell you add Clio to wallet. If you click on this add Clio to wallet, if you click on OK, you see enable Clio BIP20. You click on OK. If you show your own, that means it's helping to add it to wallet and be showing. What can you see here? You can see now that my balance of my Crew is now showing 9,355. You see it? Look at it here. See it here, my balance of Crew. See my current USDT balance right here. You can see that it has reduced. You can see that it has reduced. So, yeah, so that is how it is, okay? So you see that it has reduced now, you see? You see it? And I have my Crew there. And this Crew now is sitting in my own wallet, not on PancakeSwap. It is died out with PancakeSwap, see? You see, but now, assuming you want to use PancakeSwap to buy shitcoin now, this one went, it should not go. Because of, I told you that time, now this now 35, blah, 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 you would have to reduce it. Okay, we would have to reduce it. Now, if I cancel this thing now, if I come back to my DL, you see that my Crew is showing here. You see it? It's showing, you see my Crew here. It has let me to hide it because I turned it on like that time. That's why you see it showing there. You see that my Crew is now showing. You see my Crew is showing. You see my Crew is showing. You see it? Now, let's say I want to sell my Crew now. You have to come back to this discover. Click on this PancakeSwap again. You see this PancakeSwap now. See this PancakeSwap. I will come back there again. If I want to sell my Crew again, I will ensure that I can click on this thing for Crew to be top. But let's say you just come there newly, or you can come back and copy the contact address of Crew, paste it again at this top. It will bring out Crew, click on it. Crew will be at the top, PSC will be at the bottom. So what I want to sell my Crew. I want to sell all. I can just tap on this my balance here. If I tap on it, see it, to fill everything for me. Say okay, I want to sell it. Tell me to say okay, you want to sell everything. Okay, I say yes, I want to sell everything. Okay, I will say I want to sell everything. I want to sell all the Crew. You see, it said I will get 88.79 USDT. I doubt if it is correct. But if this is correct, I don't make them be that too. I will just redo them. So I will click on swap. I'll click on confirm swap because it's confirmed that I want to sell 9,355. Something I buy $10. How possible is this? If this thing go daily last one, that pause for me. I will click on confirm swap. I doubt if it will go because it is error. Maybe you found error there. I'll click on approve. But if you go real, bros, I will do many with that too. I doubt it, sha. Because it's supposed. I doubt it. Let me click on sign. Let me click on this. How will it convert Crew to something I bought for $9 to $88? You see it? It is error. It is error. I need it to not go. You see, he made a mistake with the calculation. Okay, he made a mistake with the calculation. You see, so he made a mistake with the calculation. It's impossible. 1 USDT equals to 105 Crew. So you see, it's impossible. It's impossible. So that's how to sell Crew, but it does not sell it. I don't know. I think he made a mistake. Let me see. He made a mistake. So let me type everything. Minus 88 point this thing. Why is he making this kind of mistake now? If you help me to send my but as me go on after I do, I don't really do anything. But this is Web3, sha. I doubt you can use it to be telling me error. So I don't know why. But then I don't know why this might cancel it. Let me just give it 3000. Okay, these 300 that I said, you can see it's telling me it's 93. Okay, oh sorry, it's telling me sufficient Crew. Okay, is the error from PancakeSwap? Is the error from PancakeSwap? Let me see. Is the error from PancakeSwap because I doubt it if it will go. Is the error for PancakeSwap? They've not corrected it. So I think the network issue is not corrected because this thing is not correct. It will not go because transfer fee. So now, since I cannot do it here, you see, this is sometimes the issue in my face. Since I cannot do it here, and I want to swap my distance back, I cannot. I have two options. You see that I move it to Binance Match to MEX and go and sell, or the other option I will do is this: I will come back later and do it. Or better still, I can go to PoolCoin.app, just tap here, just go back, come to this search, go back, come to this discover. Instead of clicking PancakeSwap here, all right, come to this featured, or where they say this explore dApps, the arrow that is beside it here at the right, click on the arrow so that we come back to this box inside there. So since we are back in this box, let's just put PoolCoin.app, PoolCoin.app. But me that thing go last song, I go dey do am with $8. Something I buy for $10, I go dey do. I no go do this video finish today. I just dey do and dey go. Because sometimes somebody can hit those jackpot. But this is PoolCoin.app. You can see if you want to visit PoolCoin.app, I told you that another way you can buy. You know, if you're having issues buying, come to PoolCoin.app. So I will have to connect. For inside that place, click on connect. You have to select. You select Trust Wallet because we are currently on Binance Match. Tell you to connect, then connect. Now that I've connected, see if you click on your wallet, I told you that it start showing you balance of the coins you can see here. There's some coins I've traded in 2021. All those meme coins, some meme coins that I did not take, you can see them there that you start showing. See, these are some meme coins that are still in my coin that are in 2021 that I've traded. The leftover. You can see them there. If I click on this load new token, it helps me to load it. If there's any new token that I'm not available, you can see what I was trying to show you on PC. But this is my old wallet. You can see that it's figuring that I have $59 here. But in my Trust Wallet, how much are you seeing there? You are seeing only 20 something. But on this PoolCoin, it will show you because there's some hidden coin you don't know that is sitting in that might know that I bought in the past that is sitting in my wallet. And on Binance matching, I will know it's through PoolCoin. PoolCoin will help me to dig it up, even if I'm not aware that it is. You can see Creo. It's showing my balance of Creo that I have. Base AD networks. This one 7. All those most of these coins they are meme coins. 2021 we traded that have cash out. All those fragments, small fragments. You can see them. You can see them if you look at them. You see small fragments. You can see small fragments. You can see Godino. All those small fragments of those coins. See them. See plenty. You see them. Some I don't say. See how. So that is it. So you see now my Creo is here. I want to now sell my Creo. You see how. You see that when we're on PC, I tried to look up for Creo. It did not come out. But here on mobile, you see because I bought it on PancakeSwap, it's showing here. That is what PoolCoin app is good for. To be able to see all the coins that you are currently holding as far as they're on Binance Match, even that you are not aware of. But there's some coin that will be here that you are not the one that bought it with your money. Please, if you see anything of such, please don't buy it. That's my USDC2 is showing here. But every coin that I see that is showing here on Binance Match network. So, but normally, let me see whether I should look up Creo. Let me post Creo here first. Let me post Creo here. Let me see if you load it. Okay, it did not load it. Okay, it did load it, I think. It did load it. You see, because it's showing here, it did load it. I don't know why the one of PC did not load it. Since this one loaded it, we click on. Okay, oh, sorry, it no load down. It no load down. I was shocked. Let me go back. It no load down. That means let me click on the contact address first because I think that one is USDT, my USDT wallet address. Now let me see. Let me paste the contact address of Creo here, whether it will load down. It loaded. You see, Creo engine, and it did not load the one of PC. You see that Creo is showing here now. You see Creo. I think did it load it? You see. So now that I click on it, it will bring me to display interface of Creo. You can see my balance, $10 or what of Creo. So I want to sell it. So how do I sell it? See where I bought. It will show me this green dot. You see here, that is where I bought. See this green dot in the chart. You see it. That is where I bought. So if you scroll, I want to know about PoolCoin. It will show you. If you click on, now that I've clicked on the coin name that will bring me here. If you want to add it to favorite on your PoolCoin, just click on this star close to it, this star. You're able to add it on favorite. See favorite in the sense that if I should click on this wallet icon. See, if I should click on this wallet icon here, I can navigate back. Okay, I can navigate back to my what? See, if I click it, I can go back to this place. Now, remember I've added Creo to favorite. If I click on this start, this place here, it will show me all those coins I've added to favorite. You can see it. If I click on Creo, it will bring me back. If I click on Creo now, the reason why it did not take me to the interface of Creo because I was already there before. So for you to go back there, because if I click on this Creo, you will think something is happening. It has taken me back there. But what I just have to do is click on this thing here. See. Click on this thing here, this place here, see it. If I should click on that place, see it, to bring me back, I'm already here. So now with this place now, see if I scroll down, if you want to see your transaction that you have done in your wallet, maybe you have forgotten that you even buy a coin, you're now wondering, did I buy a coin? To know whether I buy the coin, nobody saying scam coin, just see for there. To know, you see this place where they write, if you come down and see all these transactions are going on, these are transactions of people that are already still buying this coin, Creo. So now what you should do, somebody buy with $145. So somebody buy with 0.57, somebody buy with 18. So why me? I bought with 10. You see, this is my own last transaction. So you see, if you want to know whether you bought coin, you see where they say wallet transaction, click on it. If you see it will show your own particular transaction for your own wallet. See, this is my own wallet transaction. Remember that I did it on PancakeSwap, but see, it's showing me here. It even show me the time I bought it. See, the time I bought it, 17:21, 5:21. That's when I bought it. See here. Here is buyers, here is sellers. Okay, biggest sellers. It will show you biggest sellers of this coin, biggest buyers of this coin. But this is your own personal wallet transaction. You show where you bought. Now let's say I want to sell my crew. You see this place here where they say trade here up here. You see this thing where they say trade here. See it? I will click on it. Then this thing will drop down. You see it? This thing that doesn't leave it. Don't select it. See they say auto selected PancakeSwap version 2. Don't select. Don't touch it. This auto slippage, leave it. Don't touch it. This where they say from. You show my BNB balance. I will not click on it. I want to sell. I will not search for crew because I have crew now inside now. I don't even need to search for crew safe. I just need to pick USDT. Select USDT. On select USDT because my crew is already here at the down. I'll just click on this down arrow to switch it. See, crew will not be at the top. USDT will be at the bottom. Now they will tell me to approve my crew because without approving, I cannot swap it to my USDT. I will click on approve. So it will load up this thing. To tell me to approve. So you have to press approve. I will click on approve. See it. Approve. So you can use PooCoins to trade. That's why I love using PooCoin. So if I use PooCoin, I won't have issues that PancakeSwap is doing with me, right? So I will approve. So I cannot do anything now until this thing is approved. And how you know that it's approved? It will start showing approve with Gwei and it will turn to swap. That's when you know that the approve has worked. Now I want to convert my crew to my what? USDT. So I want to use PooCoin.app. So I just click on this max here so that it should put in all my crew here. You see, I'm telling that put all of my crew here and swap my crew back to USDT. See, it said I will get 9.9507 USDT. I will not click on swap. You can see that's why PooCoin is good. So whenever I'm working on Binance Market, any coin I want to buy on Binance Market, instead of going to PancakeSwap, I don't use PancakeSwap. I just go into PooCoin.app. From that box, I just type it there and I visit it. Okay, I just type it inside that place and I visit it. And I believe you guys should also use that one too. It's really nice. Okay, so I just click on swap. See it. Once I click on swap, you see that decentralized exchange is simple. It's all about swapping coins. Swap. The end of we're going to be doing, we are going to be using similar all this exchange like this for the project I want to do this thing on. See, I will not click on approve. But don't worry, that one, when we say testnet, we'll not be using our own money. They will have their own token, testnet token for us to be trying it out. You can see immediately I swap, you see this, I have one balance here. Once you go, you see that it's right successful and my balance will be here. We turn to 1. You see it? I now have what, $10. I now have $10.9. And now I have $11, but the small transaction fee, PooCoin needs to collect small percentage of transaction fee. You can see now I have 10.95. See here? So I'm able to convert my money back. So that is how to use PooCoin.app. And that's how to use buy on the pancakes on the Binance Market. So anytime, maybe those of them want to buy crew and those, this is how to buy it. Very, very simple. You can come to PooCoin. Let's say you want to buy it. Now you just click on this swap. Let your USDT be at the top. You see your USDT will be at the top. Your crew will be at the bottom. You can, if you want to search up your crew, you don't have it, just click on this box here, paste the crew contact address here. Just say we did for PancakeSwap. See, it will show up. Click on it. Crew will show up. Don't touch any other thing here. This way that I say USDT, put any amount. Let's say you want to buy $10. It's able to calculate it. You see it here. If you click on swap, click on it. You see it will load up. And if you tell me to approve, once I approve it, it will help me to buy the crew. But I will not approve. I will cancel. Right? I see error. I will cancel because I'm not buying. I already have crew. If I bought crew in the past, different exchanges. You can see this is how to buy on PancakeSwap. Either this is how to buy on Binance Market. It's either you use PancakeSwap.finance or you use PooCoin.app. It's very, very simple. You should know all of this. It's simple. You need to know it offhand. You need to graduate. You need to grow in the Web3 space. Okay. So those of you conducting videos long because we have to learn. So this is how to. This is it. I've done the one of Binance Market. Now next is let's say you want to buy on Base Network. For example, let's say you want to buy on Base Network, and in this case, I'll be using that Ethermail this thing for us. Okay. Now let's even say you want to access that Ethermail. How do we go about it? Let's want to access that Ethermail. How do you go about it? You still have to come to this Discover. That's where you'll be visiting all those Web3 projects or MetaMask. You come to this Discover here. You see this place. It says search or enter the app. Click on it. But let's say you want to go back to where we were working before, that PooCoin.app. You see these two that are right up here. I'll click on this to see it. It will tell me where I'm doing before. You see, I'll go to my PooCoin.app. You see it here. So this PooCoin.app, I want to go and disconnect. So ensure you always disconnect. You see this logout, or you see this 3 dot up here. See these 3 dots. You see it. It will be showing you the network you're connected to, that you're connected to Binance Smart Chain, or you can switch it to any network. Let's say you want to switch. But you see it, I'm connected. I will log out. I'll click on log out. I want to disconnect. Okay, now I've disconnected, so it's now showing me connect. Now I've disconnected, so no problem. I will now click on this arrow next to PooCoin.app. I'll click on it. Now I'll click on this two again. I'll go to PancakeSwap. You see this PancakeSwap. So I want to go and disconnect. Now to disconnect from my PancakeSwap, you see this on the station. So to disconnect from my PancakeSwap, you see this big shield, this blue here that's beside the PooCoin and Binance Smart Chain logo. I'll click on it. You see it. See it here. I'll click on it and I want to disconnect. So I'll click on account. See, you will click on it, click on the shield. You will see this account. You will now see that EVN. You will see the logout icon, that arrow. Click on it, that red distance. See it. I've been able to disconnect. You will now see connect. So you have to only disconnect from these things. So it's very, very important. Now you now see this arrow here next to PancakeSwap. So now click on it to go back to this place. You see here. Now let's say from here. Let's say from here you want to. Now there's another exchange too. That's on Binance Smart Chain too. That Binance is currently promoting. That is AnstarDex. You see this Anstar too. You see this Anstar that they gave me frequent. See, if I click on Anstar, see this AnstarDex. If I click on this Anstar, this is where they gave me $1,000 free. See this AnstarDex too. That's how to access Decentralized app. It's a Decentralized app. This one, the reason why this AnstarDex is the next big thing is because this AnstarDex is the next big thing because unlike PancakeSwap, this AnstarDex is like a centralized exchange that is now made decentralized. It has all the, if you are using it, you will not even see it as if it's a centralized, it's a decentralization. It's looking as if it's a centralization like Binance, like Bybit. You can set limits, you can do all of these things. Their interface, you see it, but to use it, you see it. When you come here, you see launch app, you see it, launch app, click on launch app. But if you click on these three dots, they will show you the network you are currently connected to. You see, this thing is currently connected to Ethereum. You see these three dots up here, right? So always click that three dots to see the network you are connected to. But this Anstadex is Binance, majorly meant for Binance matching, but you can use any other blockchain too as well, like Ethereum and Solana. But me, I want to connect to Binance matching, so I will click on this network. I'll click on it. I will now select BNB chain. You see it. So if I click on the three dots again, you can see now that I've switched it to BNB chain. That's how to use Trust Wallet. Then you click on launch app. Once you click on this launch app, you see to load. See, once you load, we need to still connect to our wallet. So be looking. See, it will not tell me to connect. You see the Binance matching logo, see it? Connect. I told you in Web3, everything we are doing is all about connecting. Because connecting means just the same way you want to access Twitter or Facebook, you have to be logging in. That's what it means. But on Web3, they don't use login. Connect is what you'll be seeing. So, but before you connect, you will always see some logos. Which blockchain are you trying to connect to? Is Binance matching. See, so that means you see the three blockchains they support. They support Binance matching, Ethereum, Arbitrum, Solana. So now, since we are on Binance matching, that you are on Binance matching here, does not mean if you connect. If this three dot up here is not also showing Binance matching. So let's say you want to connect to this Ethereum right here now. Let's say you select Ethereum right here. You see this thing is showing Ethereum logo. I want to connect. You have to understand that this your three dot up here is showing Binance matching. You have to click on it and select it to what? To Ethereum. So that the two will be on Ethereum. So because I want to connect to Binance matching now, I will click on Binance matching. Alright, I will click on these three dots, click on it, select Ethereum. I will select these three dots, I will select Binance matching so that it will make it easier for me. Now I will now click on connect because everything we are doing is connect. Anytime I want to connect, they will tell you to approve. You see, it is saying connect wallet, connect your wallet, link with Asta, verify ownership is coming. A pop-up will come up later. I see a pop-up. This is how Web3 works. This is how Web3 works. Now it's sign in. You see it, I'll now click on, I'll prove it. See, it is continue, verify. Once it's connected, it's attaching my wallet address. Can I see my wallet address up here? It's 0x91BC. So you see my wallet address now. Everything inside my wallet, it will now show me. I told you that all this Web3 website we're dealing with. Now, you see this now. Can you see the interface you're seeing now? This Asta interface. Don't this look like MEXC to you? Bybit. This interface, you see, this one is for futures, so don't go and trade futures. So I want to switch to sports. For me to trade sports, I think I will have to come because this is perpetual. This is futures, so you can see. For those of you that know about futures, can see. But to switch to sports, I'll click on this menu. You see it. I'll click on this trade. You see perpetual. I will now click on sports. So once I click on sport, it will help me to switch to sport interface. Now look at this sport interface. What can you see? This thing doesn't this thing look like your Bybit? And look at it. Doesn't it look like your Bybit? You see, doesn't this thing look like your Bybit and your MEX? You see it, but it's a decentralized exchange. But they now build it like all those centralized. That's why this Asta will do well. If I have the money, buy the coin. But me, I don't need to buy. They gave me free token. They gave me $1,000 and they gave me free of their token. You can see 274 Asta here. They gave it to me for free. Before this Asta, this $274 you see right here was worth about $500 because Asta has fallen. Because Asta got about $2 or $3. But Asta is a very good project. You see this thing you see here in the future, you can see it as $50, $100. But since it's airdrop, they gave me 840 in USDT and they gave me their coin, which everything now amount to 1,000 plus. So I've already removed the USDC. I left their coin there. There's no point selling it. You see it there? So me, they gave me free 274. So I just left it there. You see it? Because one Asta now is what? One Asta is what? 0.69. That is $0.7. You can see it. You can see that the one they give me, see $191. This is free money. I did not buy it. The only thing I bought is $50 worth of Asta. That's what I bought with my money. And that $50 worth of Asta, me, I don't sell them. Because when I saw that they gave me a drop and they gave me free of their token, I sold the $50 worth of the answer. I chopped the money. I commode the free $840 that they gave to me. Then I leave the answer they gave to me as a drop. You see it here? Free money. You see it here? I just left it here. You see it, 274. And they've given me another way of knuckling. Consider this 274 is currently worth 191. At $1, this it will be worth $274. It's free money. Airdrop. Just by because I use this their exchange here. This exchange just to buy answer of $50. That's what gave me the airdrop. So you can see this after now. This one too is an decentralized exchange. Now you can see now from here you can do every other thing you want to do. The way you are buying coin on MEXC and Bybit is the way you buy coin here. So let's want to buy coin here. You see this market limit that I told you. Let's want to buy coin here. You see market. Let's want to buy coin. What do? You see where the right answer slash USDT. Just click on it. The same thing. You see all those coins. Just search it. See CMC. She coin market capture get coin. I never knew that CMC 20. You can see different coin here. See different coins right here. Provided that the coin is listed though. So let's say you want to search for coin. Let's see, is BNB here? I'm sure BNB will be there. See, BNB is there. You can buy BNB on spot. You can always see, make sure it's spot. Let's say Creo is Creo. I doubt if they will list Creo. They've not listed. No, they are also exchange too now. They have to list coin there. So because this one is like creating a centralized exchange that is not decentralized. So in the future, if any coin to launch here, because this answer cannot list any rubbish project too, because you know this answer is like semi-decentralized. Semi-decentralized is that you cannot just go and list your coin there. The owner of the exchange, you have to approve it to list your coin there. But then when you want to buy anything on the exchange, on this Asta is decentralized. They are not the one controlling it. Every of your balance you are working with is in your wallet. Now you see this my Asta that is showing here that you are seeing here. It is not on their website too. It is sitting on my wallet too. Okay, it is sitting on my wallet. So if I say I'm not using, if any day anything do answer, nothing concern me. My coin dey my wallet. It's just showing here. So you can see this answer too now. You see, so this answer is a different. You see, a new era of decentralized exchange. All right, we are new. Okay, so without the money you can buy it, you can invest on it too. It's no problem for you. Okay, so you can see. So this is how this is one. This one is also running on Binance Margin, but this thing too is run on Ethereum. If you want to use the Ethereum version of it, select Ethereum and connect changes in. It also run on Solana and Arbitrum. So that is just. But you can see free money that they give to me, and airdrop is still going. See airdrop new here. See airdrop. Airdrop. If I click on this airdrop is still going. I qualify for airdrop again, sir, but it's just that it's small. The one they gave me this time around is small. Okay, see what this they will tell me to connect because anything you want to do in Web3, that's how you'll be doing airdrop. When we start doing airdrop, we want to check whether we're eligible. They will tell you to connect your wallet. You see, I will connect my wallet. Once you connect, you will connect my wallet and check whether I'm eligible for the airdrop. You see it now. You see, my wallet has collected successfully. You see, there are stage 4. The now see check eligibility. You see, that's why we'll be checking it. If you start filling it up, this is what we do. You will connect your wallet. Let's say you participate, they will take snapshot. If I click on check eligibility, if I'm qualified, they will show me. See, they say I'm qualified. Total allocation. The allocation they allocate for me on the fourth round is just 4.29 because I did not perform a lot of activities in this wallet. You see, that's how you now see. So some of you will make money on AW. You now check eligibility. Let's say some of you now. Let's say this answer now give you 300 or 500 or 700. You now you'll be happy because I mean you've made money. You just withdraw it and go and sell. You claim it. But claiming is not open now. Because this is stage 4. See stage 1. I mean stage 1 ended. See stage 1. I qualify for stage 1. See check eligibility. So just so that you guys can learn. Connect. See now, so if I click on this connect, you see it. Now, next, let me click on airdrop again. Airdrop. Stage 1 has ended. They are not showing stage 1 again. Stage 1 has ended. Okay, let me click on stage 2. I think it's stage 2 I qualify for, not stage 1. Okay, stage 2. See, stage 2. Total allocation they allocate to me. See it. 49.1 answer. But this one, I forgot to claim it. You see, they say you can choose to claim airdrop or wait for the fund. They say your choice can be modified until see October 13. That was when they say claim period. You see it 14 October to 14 October to 14 of November 2025. So around that 14 of October and 14 of November, I never knew that they've given me airdrop. And that's why I told you guys to always be active in the group when we start filling airdrop so that I will start checking and be updating you guys. Because they might give airdrop and the claim you will not know the claiming period will be over and you won't be able to. So this was the night airdrop. This time around that this airdrop after was around $2-3 that time. Now multiply it. This 49, let's just I was made it to 50 times 3. Free $150 money. I lost it. Why? Because I was not active to know that I was giving free airdrop. Even the one that now give me 1,000, I never knew. I just say let me go and check the small $50 answer I bought. Say how they do. Now I can't say I get airdrop. Just imagine I did not come, and that would have been I would have cried on that one because imagine somebody losing out on $1,000. You see, it's I qualify for the. You see this one now, stage 2. Now look at stage 3 too. That has ended. I qualify for the stage 3 to see check eligibility. See, 271.76. You see it. See that is it, and I claim it. May not be see person the line. So stage 4 and 4 they give me. See stage 5 explore stage 5. See stage 5 is already going on too. See stage 5 is going on too. See stage 5 is still going on. Then they have stage 6. You see. So you see guys, that is free. So now I want to disconnect. I'll just click on this. Where did I click toilet? I will click on disconnect. So I've disconnected from master. So that is it. So now let's say you want to buy on the Arbitrum. You want to buy on the Base network. I told that Base is Uniswap or Airdrome, right? So let's say you want to buy on Ethereum blockchain. To buy on Ethereum blockchain, you just have to come to Uniswap. You just come to explore. Once you come to this discover, you scroll down. You can come to this DEX. You see Uniswap. Click on Uniswap. There's no need typing it yourself. Just come there and click on Uniswap. You see, click on Uniswap. Once you come to Uniswap, it will tell you that you want to continue. You see, if you want to connect to your wallet, you click on cancel. We are not using Solana. What are Solana? So once you come to this Uniswap right here, what you want to do is you see this Uniswap crypto NFT. Click on cancel this star here. Cancel. Let's cancel that shit. All right. So this application is provide UK disclaimer. Blah, 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 no problem. So now that we're in Uniswap now, Uniswap covers different blockchains. So which one do you want to trade on? Which one do you want to trade on? If you want to trade on Ethereum, what you should do, click on these 3 dots here. Make sure it's on Ethereum. Let's say you want to trade on Ethereum, select Ethereum. See, then click on connect. This connect. They will tell you to which one do you want to connect to. Select Trust Wallet. It will load up. It will show you that it's Ethereum. Click on connect. It will load up to connect to Solana. Cancel one of Solana. You see now that we're not connected. You see now that we're not connected. To know that you're connected, you start seeing select token. You start seeing this thing here, this box here. See it to show. See, it's showing that I have $17. Where is $17? Okay, it's showing that I have $17 here. Okay, showing the activities of my wallet. You can see now that I'm connected to Ethereum network here. Let's say I want to buy any coin. Now, if I copy this screw now, see this screw. This screw Ethereum own now. See this screw. If I go back and copy this contact address of the Ethereum home, if I come back to this place here, where it says Ethereum will be at the top, where it says select token, I click on select token. If I now paste the contact address here, can you see that screw is now showing? You see it. The reason why it's showing it because I'm now on Uniswap. That's where they list the Ethereum version. So Uniswap is meant for Ethereum based coin. You see it. I will now click on crew. I will click on continue. See that crew is now here. If I want to, let's say I have the Ethereum. Let's say buy Ethereum on Bybit or MEXC. You want to withdraw it. You must select Ethereum blockchain, not Base, not Binance Smart Chain. Ethereum mainnet. So let's say I have it. I'll just put one here. You see, just like PancakeSwap, the same way. You see, this one you say not enough. As may I have enough balance, it will bring the swap option. So that is it, okay? Now that's it. Now let's say I want to buy coin on Base Network. How do I go about it? How do I go about it? It's the same thing too. I will come to this Uniswap. It's still the same Uniswap you click. But this time around, what you will do, you see these three dots here. Click on it. Scroll. Go and look for Base. See Base. Select Base. Alright? Want to select Base. See this reload here. Bottom right corner here. Click on the reload. You have to reload. You see, because you select Base here, see that when we reload now, it's telling us to connect again. You see, we now click on connect, click on Trust Wallet. Can you see now that when you want to connect now, this is what it's telling you. You say Base. You see Base. It's telling us that we are trying to connect to Base Network. It is still telling us to try to select Solana, cancel the one of Solana. Now we are connected. You see, but now we are connected but to what? Base Network. You can see the three dot up here at the top right. You see, we are connected to Base Network. Now let's say I want to now buy Kita. See, if I come here. Coin Gecko. If I come here now, I can now copy this. If I want to buy Kita, see Kita, KTA, Kita. Can scroll down, copy the contact address which is Base. Come here, where they say select token. See select token. I can paste it there. See Kita. You see to show now. Now you see that it's showing that this is my Ethereum base logo. See Kita base logo. Let's say I want to go and buy base Ethereum now. I'll put it there. Then you see, I'll put it there. Let's say I want to buy one Ethereum wallet. You see, it will tell me I'll just swap. You see there. So this Kita 2 now, I can buy it on Aerodrome. Alright? To buy it on Aerodrome is the same process. What do you need to do? Just go back. Let me go back. I'll come to this discover again. Alright, this time around I will scroll down. I will see this DEX, where the future DEX. Click on viewer. See Aerodrome. Click on it. So anything Base Network, you buy it on Aerodrome or PancakeSwap or Uniswap actually. So you see that I'm on Aerodrome now, it's the same thing. Now, what do you want to use? Want to use Base Network? Click on the three dots at the top right. Three dots. Select it. Change it to Base. Scroll down. Change it to Base. If you want to buy on any other blockchain too, if you know where they are trading, it's the same process we use. You see, change it to Base. We'll change it to Base, then we'll click on connect. You see, connect up here or connect down here, anyone. It will tell us to select the wallet. Which one? It's wallet connect. You see, Trust Wallet is not there, but click on browser wallet. It will connect your Trust Wallet. You see, it says Base. You can see it's telling us that Base Network. Tell us to sign. You will click on sign. You will click on it. Can you see that it has logged us in? See now, let's say you want to buy. What do you want to buy? Kita. Click on the down one. All right. I even have dog here. I bought this dog since 20. Dog. Is this dog or Dodge? Okay, this dog. I bought this dog on 2021, and I never knew it. They gave me a set drop me. You see the reason why? See, sometimes we forget that you have coin. You see, I think maybe they gave me a set drop. I don't know, but the price is down now. So to see this coin says Genome. This Genome now, people say I they give me, but I don't forget them now. See this coin now, you don't use this now. I never even you see. Sometimes you forget that you have coin until you start checking those swap. You see this Aerodrome now. That means this Aerodrome maybe because I've used it before. Maybe they gave me this coin, but it's currently worth $1.92 now. This coin is currently worth $1.92. If you say it worth better money before me, I don't know. But Genome. Well, before I continue, let's just type here. If I paste this thing here, contact address of Kita. Can you see that it shows up too? You see that it shows up too on Aerodrome too. Let's say I want to buy $1. See, this is very simple to use swap exchange. That's how you can buy on the centralized exchange. You just swap. I don't have money. See, 7,000 for something that's going. You see, that's how it is. You see this Jerome something blah 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 blah. This on that means this Jerome is on base network. That's why I show you. See, because I'm connected to base network now, my base, that means this coin I have it on base network. I did not even know. Genome. Let me go and see the all time of the coin. GENOME. I will go to CoinGecko. GENOME. Let me see whether it's here. You see it's here. You see it. You see it. Genome. What is the all time myself? What is it? You see, it's both on based on Ethereum blockchain. See it. See trading volume. This one don't die now. Info. Where is all time high? See your time high. It's 0.05. When was that? 2025. Jesus Christ. And I don't forget. Even at all time myself, I have how much? 0.0586. How much I get? 3,300 times 0.0586. Jesus Christ. $193. Yay! Free airdrop, don't go. Shit! Bro, can you see it? I don't lose $193. That was last year. What time I was January 3, 2025. Oh my goodness. Now free airdrop. I don't lose guard. See, 195 like money where I need. You see what I'm saying? Free airdrop, it don't go because I never knew. Sometimes it's always good to check your wallet. But see, that's how to use base, okay? That's how to use base. You see, you can use it on Uniswap and Aerodrome. Now, there's another thing again. Let's say you don't even know the exchange. You don't know it offhand. All you just have to do is go to CoinGecko, okay? Go to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. See, I already told you before. Let's say this gentleman now. See, come to market and see where it's trading. See, you see that it's on Aerodrome. See, it's on Aerodrome because since it's on base network, it's always on Aerodrome. So I told you before. See this all. You see, it's a decentralized exchange. It's on Aerodrome. See, this is on Aerodrome. What you just have to do, if you want to know whether it's a centralized exchange or decentralized exchange, if you cannot tell whether it's centralized or decentralized, you see this, just click on DEX here. Once you click on this DEX, it's able to list out all the ones on the centralized exchange. Can you that this thing is on the centralized exchange? Now let's say since you do not know, let's say the only thing you can do it like this, just click on this straight from here. See, it help you to say visit on exchange, click on visit on exchange. So once it open up on your browser like this, once it opens up on your browser like this, just simply copy the link address. See, copy the link address right here, come back into your Trust Wallet. All right, once you come back into your Trust Wallet right here, click on discover. Once you come to the discover, this click on this icon back to go back. Then you see this box that it says search or enter the app URL. Just paste that URL directly. You see it, the one that you click from CoinGecko, paste it directly. It will take you to the interface of the swap with the coin already loaded there. You see, it will take you. Can you see it will take you there? For example, see, it will take you here directly. It will help you to load the coin. See, it has loaded the coin for me. So, but the coin will always be at the top. So, but since you want to buy the coin, let's say you want to buy the coin, you now click on this switch. So the coin will now be at the bottom. So since on base you want to buy with Ethereum, any money if it is USDT you have on your base that you want to use to buy, whichever one you click on this one now, select it. If it is USDT, select. If it is Ethereum, select. If it is Ethereum, select. If it is USDT, Ethereum. Now you have to connect. I told you how do you do these three dots first. Ensure that it's on base because it's base at a blockchain you want to buy it. Click on the three dots, select base network, then click on connect. Then click on browser wallet. Now you will see that you connect once. You can see that I've been connected. Once you will see that your wallet address is connected, you see it. So that is how you can now swap if you want to swap. Okay, so that is if you are done. Let's disconnect your wallet. How do you disconnect? Tap this your wallet address here. You see my own. You see that you see disconnect at the bottom. I click on disconnect. I've disconnect. So that is it. So that is how to buy on the base network. I think I showed you Ethereum. Is the same ways. Now for the Ether mail, blah blah blah. Now look at if you want to let's say you want to access the Ether mail this thing. We just put it here, ethermail.io. See that ethermail, it is still from your Trust Wallet. We access it. It's not as if you cannot access it on your normal Chrome browser, but if you access it on your Chrome browser, if you want to connect, you have to use Wallet Connect to be connecting to your Trust Wallet. So why not save yourself the stress and just come to your Trust Wallet and access it instantly so that you'll be easily to be able to connect? Or better still, you can go to Quetta browser and access it there and connect to MetaMask. But I prefer Trust Wallet. Except Trust Wallet is giving me an issue. That's why I consider MetaMask or Quetta. You can see that this from this terminal. You can see from here. I'm here now. I can access. You can see this terminal. Let's say you want to access it, a decentralized app. It will always use Trust Wallet. But then I'm not saying you come and access a terminal. There's nothing you want to use it for. There's nothing I want to use it for. I don't need to be using it to send me mail. I don't need it. The only reason I might want to use it now is probably because of just their token is what I'm explaining to you. I'm not saying you can connect and use it. So, but let's say you just want to use it. I'm just trying to show you how to use that. So if you want to use it, you go to Trust Wallet. You click on this register. Let's say you want to use it inside here. We click on this register. But from here, it seems it is not really letting us connect. It's automatically selecting Telegram to connect. Okay, so and that is wrong. So what we want to do is we can decide to visit since now Trust Wallet is giving us issue from connecting to it because Trust Wallet is not letting it to dictate our wallet address, but rather it's just selecting Telegram for us, and that is the issue we might face sometimes. Okay, so from here now we can go through Chrome browser and see whether it will work. Sometimes it might work, sometimes it might not work, but this is not the best approach. Let's see Chrome browser. If you click on register, let's see whether it will go. You see Trust Wallet 2 is still showing, it's still directing us to Trust Wallet. You can see that it's still directing us to Trust Wallet. Okay, it keeps on directing us to Trust Wallet. You can see it keeps directing us to. So that is the issue. So it wants us to get their mobile app, which are not ready. So since this thing is directing us to Trust Wallet now, the only alternative now, we can now go and use MetaMask. Okay, can I go and use MetaMask? That is how to, if you want to access dApps and the dApps is giving you an issue, the next thing you want to do is what? Is what, to go to MetaMask. So from MetaMask, so how do you access decentralized app on MetaMask? It's the same thing. You come to this place that says browser down here. See this place that says browser. That is where you come to. You just come to browser. MetaMask will provide you with his own browser page here. You can see if you were already using the browser before, you will have to cancel the browser, come to browser again. You have to click on the plus sign down here, right, to open a new tab. Or better still, you can click on this thing right here. You can click on it to cancel it and click on the plus below here. Then it will open a new browser for you to put your it will now open the, you see it here. From here it asks us to from here up here, you can always click on it to edit. You see, to edit the wallet address. So if you put ether.io, see it, we can always go back. You can see that we are here now. So since that we are here now, I told you to on MetaMask too, you must always select your what? You must always select your the network you want to use. You can see the network I'm currently on here is base network. You can see it's base network. So let's say you want to use Ethereum, you click there and select any network you want to use. If I want to use Binance Smart Chain, I just click on Binance Smart Chain and I click on back. Consider it has switched to Binance Smart Chain. You can just click on reload down here. Okay, that is how MetaMask works. So from here, that anytime if you want to log in, we can we can click on this register to log in here. So I think here too on MetaMask is still showing us, it's still telling us to connect to it. So since, because it's detecting that we're already on our mobile phone, I think it's trying to use Telegram for us, and we don't want to use Telegram to connect, or better say, want us to download their mobile app. So that is it. So even this Ethereum this thing browser is still having issues. So now since this MetaMask mobile is having issues, what do you think? The next alternative, which is the last that might work for us, let's say we want to do something, we just want to use their website, we don't want to go and download the app, we want to come to Quetta or Mesos browser. I'm just showing you guys because there are some things that will give you issues like that. Those are the options. That's the essence of me saying download these other ones. So some of them will give you issues. Okay, you see that on laptop it went, but now so on Ether browser here, see, we come to this place here, we click on go. So you see from this Quetta now, you see the Quetta, you see that where we come to Quetta now, Quetta is showing sign where is Quetta? Okay, it has changed to register stroke login now. Now Quetta was showing sign up too before, but after it has finished loading, it's showing register to sign up. I think this register to sign up is linked to Telegram. You see it? You see Telegram login now. I think Telegram login now. That's how I'm able to log in, because the normal sign up now has been hidden. You see that Quetta, you see that Telegram login now? It has already been hidden. You can see it. If I want to quickly click it, it has disappeared. I want to quickly click it. Stay open in this app. This side is trying to redirect to his associated by it. So he wants to, because he sees us on mobile, they want to force us to use their app. That is why the sign up buttons went away. All right, that sign up button will only come up when we're on laptop. That sign up button is meant for if you want to use our trust MetaMask. But because he's seeing us on mobile, he wants us to use their mobile app. We want to force us. You see it. So that is just the thing. That's why Trust Wallet did not work. Because if you click on this register now, this one is tied to Telegram. If I click on the link, see t.me, it's tied to Telegram. I don't want to use Telegram. You want us to go and use. You see, you want us to log in with Telegram. No, we want to log in with our MetaMask. So in order to do it, you want us to download. If you know that I want to log in with MetaMask Web3, you want us to download their app on Play Store. So there's nothing I want to use it for. I just want to show you guys. But let's say I still want to do Orikunkun. I still want to do Stronger to. You know what we do? We click on this three dot down here. Then we click on Request Desktop Site. All right. We will now click on Request Desktop Site. All right. Now that we've clicked on Request Desktop Site from Quetta, you can see it. The same thing on Mesos too. Then you can see that sign up is now showing. If you click on this sign up now, you will see that it now shows MetaMask. Can you see it? But the issue with Trust Wallet is that we cannot request desktop site on Trust Wallet. We cannot request desktop site too on MetaMask app on our mobile. We can only request for desktop site on this Quetta browser and what are they calling it? And Ether and Mesos browser. Okay. You can see now that we now come here. See now you can now zoom here. You can see that we now have login with MetaMask. You see, this wallet connect here is, if I click on this wallet connect, I can use from this wallet connect, I can go and log into my Trust Wallet. That's what it means. See this wallet connect means, if I click on this wallet connect here, see this wallet connect and MetaMask. See, we have MetaMask. If I click on MetaMask, it automatically connect to my MetaMask on this Quetta. If I click on this wallet connect, we want to redirect me to what? To Trust Wallet, to go and log in with Trust Wallet. That is the essence of this wallet connect. Okay, so if I click on MetaMask right here, let me reload. Now, if I click on MetaMask, you see, it say you have not authorized the connection to proceed. Okay, you see, I've clicked on MetaMask. You see, I've not authorized the connection to proceed. I don't know. Let me see whether my MetaMask extension here is already showing me. You see, MetaMask is already telling me to log in. Now, when you click on MetaMask on Quetta, I used to tell you something that you might just be clicking. You'll be thinking that it is not responding. It is responding on Misu's browser. See, that's how MetaMask on. If you want to use it on our browser like that, whenever you click on any MetaMask icon, you might think it's not responding. It's responding. What you have to do is you have to go to your extension, and to go to your extension is simple. Just click on these three dots, okay, or click on this one here where they say this thing. If you click on the three dots here, you will see that you see this icon here. This icon means extension. If you click on it, you will see that MetaMask already have one beside it. You see that MetaMask already has something like one beside it. See, this one means there's a notification waiting for you there to authorize. If I click on it, you will see that it will load up. You see, it will now tell me to log in first. It will tell me to log in first. I doubt it if I remember the password again. I doubt it. If it's a login, I doubt it. Okay, it did. You can see now that it's already showing me here that I should connect my ethermail.io. You see it, but for you might not know. So always, please, even if it's your Mizu browser, whenever you click on any MetaMask logo there, go and check the extension and see whether there's a notification waiting for you to approve. Okay, because this is not laptop. You see it. See that it's not connecting. You can see now that I've been connected successfully. So how do you go? We go back to it. So, but if you want to open your MetaMask to be showing in your browser too on this Quetta browser, if you are here, click on this icon here, so that you open as a new tab. See, if I click on it, it will open as a new tab. See, I now have two tabs here, so it open as a new tab. Okay, see, so if I come back to my Ethermail here, you see, if I come back to my Ethermail here, if I come back to my Ethermail here, since I've logged into my MetaMask browser, if I come back and click on this MetaMask logo again, let's see whether it will log me in. I've clicked on it. Let me see whether a notification is waiting for me again. See, notification is waiting for me again when I click on the MetaMask browser. So for me to get notification, I just have to click on the two thing and switch to this tab, and I see that it's already waiting. Click on connect. You wait for it to connect. If you click on this ball up here, it will show you whether you are connected to the site. You see URL is unknown, not connected. See, URL is unknown, not connected. So I can click on, maybe I don't know why it's saying URL is not connected. Maybe because I'm on Plasma blockchain here. See this blockchain here. Always let me click on this blockchain and select popular and go to Ethereum mainnet blockchain. Let me see. Since I'm now on Ethereum mainnet blockchain, let me go back to Ethermail and try to connect. Okay, it has even gone. It told me to sign. It's me that did not sign. But let me click on sign now. Right now that I've clicked on sign now, I have to still go back to this MetaMask here again. See it. It has redirected me to what? To Plasma mainnet. Why? Because it was Plasma mainnet I use in blockchain I use in connecting to it. So I have to click on confirm because it was Plasma mainnet I use in connecting to it. So since I've confirmed, I will come back here. You see, it has connected successfully. See, say next. It's asking me to put my secondary email if I wish. So you can now put your second email just like we did on our phone. But then I want to go and use Plasma blockchain. Okay. So for you, if you want to do, if you come to your MetaMask before you connect to even the Ether this thing, you can come back here from this place here and always ensure from this network you use any of your network if it is Binance Smart Chain. But then I'm only demonstrating. There's nothing you want to use this Ethermail to do. I'm just telling you how to be using that. And I'm showing you the mistake you might encounter and how to use all this, the difference between us using Trust Wallet. You see now the essence of this Quetta and Misu's browser. Trust Wallet we could not achieve because there's no way on Trust Wallet we can use desktop view and MetaMask this thing. So the only savior that will save us this time around is what? Quetta browser or Misu's browser. So you can see this is how it works, okay? So that is, but I'm not doing anything because I don't need to do anything here. So I will just cancel it, okay? So this is nothing like that. I'm just explaining how that works. Now, before I show you how to can buy you should know how to buy the Ethermail token, right? That is what if you want to buy it, it's cheap. You can invest, even if it's $10, just dash it and forget it, okay? Now, for us to buy it, it's very, very simple. It's on base network. We need a base Ethereum, okay? So for those of you that is always asking, you cannot buy Quetta. This same method I want you to buy this coin is what you can use to buy Quetta too. Very, very simple, okay? So what you do first, just go to CoinGecko. The easiest way, look up the coin. What is the coin name? I think ETM. I think ETM, Abi. ETM. I think ETMC, sure. I don't think so. What is the name of their coin itself? Ethermail. Okay, EMT. Ethermail token. EMT. Now you can see the logo EMT Ethermail token. You can see there are different type of EMT. So you can see this down here now. The coin has fallen 1 billion. The coin has fallen badly, but small trading volume. Anything can happen. It can resurrect anytime, anyways. You can see people 1,345 added to watch list. You can see the contact address. You can see this is on base. Copy the contact address. So where do you want to buy it? I told you to buy on base network Uniswap app.uniswap.org. You don't even need to type the website. You just need to what? You don't need to type the website. You just need to on Trust Wallet, just search it up. That is it. Then I told you that the other aerodrome too, but the other option is don't stress yourself, come to market. Look at where it's trading. It's trading on Gate.io, it's trading on Uniswap, it's trading on aerodrome. Alright? So you can see it's trading on Gate.io. Gate.io has the highest this thing. The Gate.io is decentralized. I told you if you do not know the kind of decentralized is trading, just click on the DEX. It will show you all the DEX is trading. You can see all the DEX is trading. That is trading on Uniswap, it's trading on aerodrome. So I would love to buy this on Uniswap base. So how do you do that? So the easiest we click on it. So now I want to buy it on Uniswap because looking at these three decentralized exchange, if you look at the pair 24 hours volume, you see that this one has the highest 100, the one of Uniswap compared to these two. So I'll go for the one of Uniswap. So I'll just click on this Uniswap link. Just click on visit exchange. So it will open here on your normal browser, on your Chrome or any browser. Then click on it, copy the link. You want to copy the link, then go straight to your what? Go straight to your Trust Wallet that you want to buy the coin. So since I want to buy the Ethermail coin, since I want to buy it on Uniswap, so I'll go to this this place. Is it this place? Yeah, I will come to this place. All right, so I want to buy it on this wallet just to practice for you guys. I'll buy $10. So I will come to Discover. See, on this Discover here, this place they put search or enter that URL. I'll just paste that URL. I copy the one I clicked on CoinGecko. I'll just paste it there. You see that it has opened. All right, you see that it has opened. You see it here, so I'll cancel this thing here. You see here, they tell me to connect. Now, before I connect, I'll click on these three dots here. The network, I'll switch it to base because it's base network. Don't always forget base. Now that I switch it to base, I'll now click on connect. Else, we just have issue. We'll be battling with it. We say, why is it not going? You better watch now. Nobody will want to disturb me for groups. I try to connect, it do not connect, it do this because you do not pay attention. So the three dots, switch it to the network. Now click on the connect and choose Trust Wallet is what I want to use. See it to load up and to connect. Now you can see that it has logged me in. For you to know that it has connect, see that you see buy and sell. See that it has connect. See, for you to know that it has connect, you see this this thing that looks like star here. See this thing that looks like star here, showing you that it has connected. So yeah, we are connected. See, if you click on it, you see that you have connected. You see, showing some stuff I have. I don't know why why would this not be showing 304k? It is sleeping. Okay. Recent activities. I will see. In the show 300k. So okay, see, so you can see that it's connected. So I want to buy Ethermail, right? I want to buy Ethermail. Okay. So since I'm connected, and so what I will see, because this is Uniswap version 2, and since this is Uniswap version 2, I will just click on buy. You see, since I click on buy, it will tell me empty which coin I want to use to buy it. Remember that we're on base network. If you click on this three dot, you see that you're on base. I will select Ethereum. Base Ethereum. See base Ethereum is what I want to use to buy it. You see it now tell me to enter the amount I want to buy. So let's say I want to buy $10, 0.0. You now start looking. 0.05 is how many Ethereum? 93. 0.55. So 0.0055 is $10 worth of Ethereum. So I'll be able to use it to buy 18,333 EMT coin. That is $10. Now, but the issue is I don't have Ethereum. So what should I do? I will go to Bybit. Now, see, pay attention here. Nobody will come to ask me question later. Say I did not know how to buy this thing for you. Now I'm on Bybit. You can see here that I'm on Bybit. I will come to trade. If you've not watched the video on Bybit before, go back and watch it. All right. I'm not showing you how to set up Bybit because I assume you already know how to use Bybit to buy coin, how to do this. So what I want to do is I have money here. I'll buy Ethereum here. You can see I'm here on this trade here. You can see where they say trade. The trade section here. I'm here. I've covered this video before. I'm not doing so. Once I come here, I'll see this place where they put Ethereum here. See it. Now click on Ethereum. So once I click on Ethereum, when I click on here, I will make sure that this thing is on spot. Search for Ethereum if you are the one ETH. You see ETH/USDT spot under it. You see this one. You will click on it. Then I told you it will be in limit, but it's better just click it to market so that you will not stress yourself. They tell you how much Ethereum do you want to buy. So I want to buy $10 worth of Ethereum. Then I'll click on buy. Then I'll click on buy Ethereum. So you can see now all of that field. I've been able to buy $10 worth of Ethereum. It will start showing here. You can see 0.00533746. See it. So that is it. So now that I buy Ethereum, what is the next? I want to withdraw the Ethereum to my Trust Wallet address. So what I will do, I'll go back to this my Trust Wallet. All right. Let me cancel this. Let me now go to home here. You see here, I'm already here. Now that I'm here, what will you do? You will click on fund or receive. See this fund. Once you click on this fund, you will say crypto wallets. All right. So once you click on this crypto wallet, you will see all wallet address here. If you ask, I told you that Base is CVM compatible. You can copy your Ethereum wallet address, BNB wallet address is the same wallet address you will get. All right. But if you're not scared, all you can do, you see where they put this all. Bitcoin logo, Ethereum, Solana, Binance Chain Troll. Look at base there, and 112 more blockchains. See this base logo beside Arbitrum. You see it here. See base logo here. See base logo here. See base logo here. You can see it. You can then select that. Okay, you can select that if you wish. You can scroll. But like I said, all the other Ethereum, Binance Chain, and so they are all. These are your wallet address showing here. DA7, DA7, DA7. You can see these are my wallet address. But if you are scared, just click on base. If you click on base, it starts showing you. If you click on base, it still show you wallet address. Ethereum. See, you can see base Ethereum address below here. See it. ETH base beside it. ETH base. You can copy the wallet address. See it. Wallet address copied. You can now go back to your Bybit. Now that you're on Bybit, you come to this place, assets. Now that you've come to assets here, now that you have clicked on this asset here, then you will still now click on withdraw. You don't even need to transfer. Normally, you should have transferred to funding by clicking on this transfer, but especially you just want to be stressing yourself, but you don't need it. But then, if you click on transfer, you will see funding at the top, unified at the bottom. So you swipe. You will ensure that unified is at the top, funding is at the bottom. Then they will say which coin. You say Ethereum. Click on it. You see Ethereum here. You see it. You will now click on Max. So we are transferring our Ethereum from unified trading to funding trading. You see that this is just like we're using decentralized swap exchange. So once you click on it, the next thing will now say withdraw. Now, once you click on this withdraw now, you can see this withdraw now. See withdraw. They will not tell you that which withdrawal method. You will say crypto withdrawal. You see it. Once you click on crypto withdrawal, they will not say what do you want to withdraw. You will say Ethereum. You see, they will show you a list of coins. If you do not see it, you can search it up. You say Ethereum. You select Ethereum. They will not say where. Is it internal transfer? Internal transfer means do you want to transfer from one Bybit account to another Bybit user? You say no. You say on chain. On chain you want to withdraw to another maybe blockchain, another exchange or trust wallet. They will not say wallet address. That wallet address you copy it, paste it here. You see, ensure that your wallet address. Okay. So once you paste it, they will not ask you network. This is where you will determine the type of Ethereum you want to withdraw. You see it, whether you want to withdraw, you can see that all year we do not have Solana. Solana does not have Ethereum that is Solana based. No, you don't have that. But you see, here they show you that. You see, they will not ask you that which blockchain. You see, we have Mantle Network, Arbitrum 1, Ethereum ERC 20. That is the main Ethereum network. We have BIP20. If I should select BIP20, this Ethereum will go to my Trust wallet, but at BIP20, and I will not be able to use that Ethereum to buy that Ethereum coin, because if I go and withdraw it as BSC, I won't be able to buy any other thing. If I withdraw it as Optimism blockchain, it will enter all the Trust wallet too, but it will enter as Optimism blockchain, so I won't be able to use it. The only time I can able to use this Ethereum to buy on the Uniswap on the base network is if I withdraw this Ethereum as base mainnet. See it? So I will select base. I'll say I want to tell me to withdraw this Ethereum. I want this Ethereum to be on the base network. So because I want to buy something now, so I will now click on. They will not say how much. I'll say max. They will ask you where is the Ethereum is. I say the Ethereum is on funding. So even if you leave the Ethereum on unified trading, if you come to here, just mark the unified. Okay, so I said it's on unified, so they will not tell me to withdraw. See withdraw. See, this is $10 minimum. See it now. They say I should withdraw. I will now click on what? Confirm. They will now ask me for verification that they will send to my email. They will ask me for my Google Authenticator. Let me quickly pause and do this. Alright, so you can see now I finally withdraw the Ethereum as base network to my what? To my Trust wallet. So let's now go back there. We'll wait for it to enter. Alright, so that is how to do it. You wait for it to enter. You can see it here. That will wait for it to enter. You can see Ethereum base. I currently have 0.90 cents here. So while we wait for it to enter, I will reload. It should not take time. Base does not take time. Alright, we just reload until it enters. Okay. See it, or better still, I can just click on the base Ethereum network here like this and reload, and it might have entered for me. Okay, I'm still waiting. It has not. So it was Solana. Solana is always fast. Alright, it has entered. You can see now that it has entered. You can see base Ethereum base. You can see I now have 10.33 there base Ethereum base. Now this is what I'm telling you. Now since you want to buy on base network, it is wrong for you to now go and buy USDT and withdraw to your base network. Even if you select base network, you withdraw, you won't be able to use it because you need gas fee, and the gas fee on base network is charged based on Ethereum on base network. But now with this Ethereum now, I can go to Aerodrome or Uniswap, and go and swap this Ethereum to USDT, and I can swap it to maybe like $8 worth of USDT and leave $2 as transaction fee for me, right? So that is what I can do. So I can see now that I buy base. You can see that I have Ethereum here. You can see I have Ethereum here. Look at these two Ethereum. Are they not the same price? See this first Ethereum, 1,857.04. See this normal Ethereum, the main. You can see that the same Ethereum, but logo is different because this logo of this Ethereum is the main net one, the one black. The one of blue is one of base. You can see that. You can see the four Ethereum that is here. They are all Ethereum. Look at their price: 1,857.01, 1,857.01, 1,857.04, 1,857.01. You can see they are all Ethereum, the same price, but this Ethereum is sitting on different blocks. You can see the one of Optimism. I have about $1 worth of Ethereum. The one of Arbitrum, I have 0.001 Ethereum, which is $0.35. The one of Ethereum mainnet, I have $1.41 worth of Ethereum there. Now I cannot use them to buy. You can see, but when I was on Base, I want to buy this EMT coin, showing that I have 0 Ethereum. Why? Because I'm connected to Base network. So on Base network, I never had any Ethereum there. I have 0.9 rather Ethereum there. So let's say tomorrow I see a coin I want to buy on the Optimism blockchain. It's still Ethereum you need to buy on the Optimism blockchain. Even if you want to buy on the Arbitrum blockchain, so you still need Ethereum, but just that their Ethereum has to be on Arbitrum blockchain. You can see how these Ethereum follow each other, but on different blockchain. That is how it is. As I have the one of Binance Matching, you still see them there. If to say I have the one of Linear, you still see them there. The only one that does not have Ethereum for a blockchain is Solana. So you see it. This is how it is. Now that I've now withdrawn my Ethereum on Base network, now I can now go to Discover right here. Then I will go to this place where they put search. I can either click on this one and go back to the Uniswap what I was doing before, or I copy the link and return again. Right? You see now that I'm now here. Can you see now that the swap has come out? It's not showing review. Why? Because it dictates that I have sufficient balance there. You see review. Now, but I cannot use all the 10.20 to buy now because I need the gas to be there. So what I will do is I will just use maybe like $8 to buy 0.45, which is $8. So but just that I will only have access to 14,962, which is too small. Damn. So I can just say 0.5, 0.005, which is 16. So that means I will be buying $9 worth. Okay, I will be buying $9 worth because I have 0.556. 556 is what? 10.32. 55 is what? 10.21. See it. Then 53 is 9.84. See it. Okay, 17,623 is still good. 9.84. So that to leave small balance as gas fee. Okay. So you can see this now. It say review EMT. You can see it EMT review. That is how to buy it. So instead of copying the contact address and be pasting here, just copy the link of the CoinGecko, paste there and this it. Then I will click on review. Then I'll click on continue. You say lowest network token balance. You say you are about to spend most of your network token balance. This may have insufficient funds to cover future network gas fee. I say no problem. Let me continue. So now they tell me that okay, I want to swap 9.84 to 17,737 EMT. You must start updating it because as price shift, it will be updating the price. So always quickly do what you want to do. So I'll click on swap. You see, it will now load up. You see, it tell me to approve. See base 9.84. You see, it tell me to approve. Then you see it. That's how to buy coin. Control select on. You see, successful. It's swapping. If it is successful, I will start seeing my balance pending. You see that it has gone successfully. Can you see my balance? 17,635 EMT. I've been able to buy this coin on decentralized exchange without going to centralized exchange. You can see this is on Base network. So for those of you that want to buy Keta, this is the same process. Just go search Keta on CoinGecko. Go to the market section. You see the link to buy it on the click on desk. You see the desk. Copy the link. Go to your Trust Wallet. Make sure you click on these 3 dots here. Make sure you are selecting Base. Pay CD and connect to the website. If it is Aerodrome, if it is Uniswap you want to use, no problem. But I bought my own Keta on Uniswap. Click on these 3 dots. Select Base network. Ensure that Ethereum is at the top. If you have Ethereum, go and buy Ethereum on centralized exchange on Base network. Move it there, then buy. But if you feel you want to buy on centralized exchange, you can go and buy Keta on MEXC. It's on MEXC too. But if you want to buy, it's better just buy on decentralized exchange so that it will be in your wallet. So you see this coin now is on my wallet. So you can see now that I'll buy 17,235 EMT. Small money. I'm forgetting it. I don't know what the future may hold. Tomorrow, people might adopt the Web3 email and Ethermail might do it. It's just $10. It does not kill me, right? So since it does not kill me, you can see that the coin I forgot that gave me that the airdrop they gave to me 195, I never knew was there. So this time I buy with $10. Imagine I will call tomorrow in the future, maybe next year, and I open my wallet and see $17,000 and say, I will come and see that Ethermail has entered $1. Free money, right? So that's how crypto can change your life. So you get this is just a coin I come across. Why I did this video for you guys? I never planned it. So that's why it's not a financial advice anyway. But if you have small box to dash it, if you wish you, but it's not a financial advice anyway. The top coins I can still promise you that I have strong bet on is Keta. So but you see all these ones, it's just small play for you guys, okay? To start learning all of these things. If you have small money put, you might be lucky tomorrow enough and the coin do well. Because at least this one I'm figuring is you have nothing to lose. The coin has already dipped. You are buying at almost at the low. So no fear to say you want to be fair and say if it don't deep already. We are buying at the deepest price. Okay, so that is just it for this. That is all. So last but not the least, which is Solana, which I'm sure you all knows how to go to Solana now. Just phantom. The same thing too. Let's say you want to buy coin on this thing, just go towards coin this thing. Let's say you want to buy let's say PZP for example, PZP. Whatever you're starting PZP, click on PZP. PZP for here, you check what is it. See, it's on Solana, so you copy the contact address. Now, if you come to this market here, you see that in market here, where did you see Radium? If you click on DEX here, the decentralized exchange, they listed that its trading is on what? They said PZP is trading on Radium and it's trading on PancakeSwap. So, but if you are to go with the one of PancakeSwap, that means you have to go and copy the contact address of Binance Smart Chain. I told you. And you can still buy the PZP on Pocoin.app as well. But if you are to go for Radium, the contact address of the Solana is what you will copy. But I now told you that whenever you see a coin that is trading on Solana too, that has Solana contact address, don't even bother going to the market here to go and start checking. Just go straight to your Phantom wallet and go to jup.ag. That is how to do it. So let's say I want to buy here. I will just go to Phantom, right? I will just go to Phantom wallet. It's telling me to update. So you just open your Phantom wallet. Since that we know that it's trading on Solana, since it's Solana, there's no need to be copying it. Normally, you can just copy this in. So for Phantom wallet, you just click on this place right here. You come to this search down here. You come to this search down here. That's where. So every wallet has their own brother. You come to this site. That's where you paste the site. This thing. You just go to jup.ag. You see it, visit it. Instead of going to Radium to copy, you can copy the link of the Radium and paste it and go and buy it on Radium too. But me, I don't like Radium. All right. I already told you, go and be using jup.ag. Jup gives a lot of airdrop. So just come back here. Just my own is anytime I come back, it's always connected automatically. You can see that I've connected. I see my wallet up here. So, but for you, you see something like this. You see something like this. You see connect. Click on connect. Select Phantom, and you connect. Once you connect, how do you buy it? Let's say you want to buy PZP. Click on this swap. I told you that the coin you want to use to buy should always be at the top. Solana will be at the top. The coin you want to buy at the bottom, you click on the one of the bottom. Then you paste the contact address, you copy. See, so I paste the contact address, you can see PZP has showed up. Paste it, PZP. How much you want to buy? If you want to buy 0.1 Solana, which is around $7, you see it, 1,949. You see it there. They show you buy it. If you want to buy 0.2, 0.3, 0.5, you see 9,765 PZP. What should you do next? Click on swap. If you click on swap like this, you see it. Once you click on confirm, it will approve. Let me cancel. I'm not buying. All right. So that is basically how to buy on the Solana blockchain. So these are how to use the centralized apps. I believe you know how to use the major centralized app. So with this knowledge, you can be able to go and even if there's any other blockchain new out there, all you just have to know is what blockchain is it, what is their swap. Just go and connect to copy the website of the project of the of the swap, paste it on Trust Wallet, connect to their blockchain, and use their swap. So as simple as that. So I believe with this now, you now understand how to use that decentralized application across different things. And anytime you see the decentralized application, you know what to do, you know what it's about. You can practice and have a feel and knowledge of it. As time goes on, you become a pro and be good. After this video now, I think now that we have this knowledge now, the next video we'll now do our first word airdrop and try to interact with some sort of decentralized application and position ourselves and start building our giving our wallet address strength. Okay, so do well to watch this video, do well to like this video if you enjoy it, if you gain one or two things from it. Sorry that it is long. I have to explain a lot of things. That's why it is long. It's not much to watch it finish once, one at a time. Continue watching it small. So that is it, guys. Okay, do not forget to like this video and leave a comment where you are watching this video from. See you in the next video. Bye bye.